Hey, what's up, assholes? Hey, who do you know who the fuck you talking to? Hey, let's get it going one more time. Let's go, Yankees.
Yeah.
That's right. Wild card winners.
Won the wild card. Yeah, tell them.
There wasn't a fucking doubt in my motherfucking mind. I was
Get those A's out of here on the canoe.
Yeah, get him out of here. And I was keeping tabs on my fucking idiot son, Michael Anthony, hoping he doesn't OD. I had the Narcan on deck. We're having a good family old time.
Yeah.
And the Yanks win. Huh?
Go Yankees.
Go Yankees. That's right.
Power.
Yeah, that's right. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Luke Voigt, you know. Shout out to Greg
that's a working
Bird.
man's working man.
Yeah, that's right. You know. Shout out to those other guys too. The guys, the
rest of them, the brown ones.
The brown guys, the black guys that speak Spanish. I don't know, whatever. And the other guy, what's the guy there that had the dreads?
Diversity Jones. I don't know.
Yeah, whatever his name is. Shout out to him. Listen, I am going to phone in to a person who I've arrested many times, and I appreciate him. He is the one, Mero, and he has a prediction for you. Mero predicts a sweep, a clean sweep. The Yankees sweep the Red Sox in the ALDS and embarrass the entire state of Massachusetts. And guess what else, asshole? Here's another fucking Easter egg for you. Here's another fucking challenge for you. It's the Bill Simmons challenge. Hey, Billy, I'm talking to you. This is Officer Prosciutto. I'm talking to you, pal. If the fucking Yankees pull off this sweep, me and you and your dad jeans are fighting fucking shirtless on Victory Boulevard right in front of the check cashing place while my son Michael Anthony leans over as my corner man. All right? You piece of garbage. Fuck Boston. Your clam chowder sucks. You all suck. Every movie you ever set in Boston blows. The Departed was garbage. All right? And Good Will Hunting, Matt Damon is overrated. Suck my dick from the fucking rear. You fucking jerks. Do the fucking drop. Number one podcast in the world. Episode 129. I learned that from Julio. Shout out to him. He's got hot bags.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo! Episode 29. Doing 29. You turn the 6 upside down.
Yo, it's a 9 now.
It's a 9 now. That never caught on.
I don't
that
understand.
Never caught on.
I don't understand.
Shout out to the Yes Men. The Yes Man's them that was around Drake when he said that. And nobody was like, yo, Aubrey.
Yo.
This ain't it, Chief.
This
ain't it, Chief.
Is this a gun reference? Like, I don't know.
No, he turned the 6 upside. He turned the 6 upside down now. It's a 9 now.
9. Is it a 999?
I don't know. Maybe it's a reference to how in other countries it's been 911. You hit 999.
Oh shit!
He's hitting them in and out. Nah, that's probably not what it is.
Oh, he's a road man.
He's a Rhodes scholar. How about that? How about that? How about put the guns down, Drake, and pick up the books?
Imagine Drake just stopped rapping completely. Was like, yo, I quit music. Period.
And just became like a professor.
Yeah. Of Degrassiology.
He's just
yeah.
He's on MSNBC, Professor Aubrey Graham.
He's like
talking about gerrymandering.
He's like, hey man, I decided to take my love for owls to the next level and become an ornithologist.
He just becomes a leading doctor about owls and shit. He has like a kid show. Drake's plays.
Drake's plays.
Mad owls and shit.
He's like, this is my man, OB. He got a broken wing. I'm trying to nurse him back to health and then release him back into the Canadian wilds.
You're
you know
such
what I'm saying?
a fucking owl.
I love it. Yo, did you see that fucking performance?
Yes. On SNL.
Yo.
Let's have a moment of silence.
Yo, for Kanye's career.
Wow.
Yo.
You know what? There's very few groups in the world persecuted the way Kanye's fans are, and the main person who persecuted them is Kanye. Because after watching that, I mean, I was looking at my Yeezys like, damn.
Like,
bro. Every time this nigga say something, I just look at them like, what the fuck? Just be quiet.
It's like fucking Elon Musk watching Tesla stock drop.
Yeah.
Like, you're just like, oh no!
Stop it.
I'm not going on Joe Rogan no more.
You need to tell me no one backstage at SNL tried to like grab the hat off his head. Like, boy, don't you go out there with that MAGA hat, you wildin'.
Wear that shit backwards, take it down. You fucking asshole.
He went on a wild rant. The crowd was probably like, it's an after party. We can show up. We can get some drinks and shit.
What kind of coke? What kind of coke you think he's?
You're such a fucking hell. That sounds like a wild, creepy porn line.
Yeah, it is. And then for the performance, they use the radio version.
Yeah.
You're such a freaky girl. I love it. I'm like, is this a cameo song, nigga? Like,
that's a Kids Bop version.
Oh, yeah. You're such a freaking girl. Yeah. Oh, word up. Yeah.
I love it.
I love it. Yeah. Ow. I'm like, yo, what the fuck, my nigga? And then this nigga's dressed like a Perrier bottle. My man is dressed like a bottle of Fiji. I'm like,
I saw that. You ever wake up or you turn to a channel, you're like, yeah, I must be high. Like, oh, I must be high. Let me drink some water. Because I'm definitely going through something. And I saw it.
Sparkling or still?
I was like, why are they in suits?
Yo, fam. And it's crazy because it's like, I don't know if Lil Pump directed that or if Kanye directed that. And that's troubling.
I feel like that was, maybe.
That's very troubling.
Maybe Kanye? Those are custom suits, though. Those were not off the... Those were not off the rack.
Off the Perrier Men's Warehouse rack.
Oh, man. No, damn, easy.
Yeah, please, stop.
Easy. Well,
stop.
He was supposed to drop an album on Saturday as well, and he didn't. They said it's coming out later in the year.
I feel like there's a trend now in rap where it's like, I'm not going to drop an album with 12 joints on it. I'm going to drop an album with 4 joints on it and call it an EP and like just take 4 good songs and put them out. You know what I'm saying? Because niggas is tired of filler, bro.
People aren't buying whole albums anymore. They're just streaming.
They're just streaming shit. Niggas ain't... come on.
Yeah, you get to 50 million streams. You get a check for 49 cents.
Come on. Yeah, and you fucking know, working at a record label, motherfuckers be like, yo, you need to get 15 joints on this album. And then like 4 out of those 15 joints end up being like, be my sunshine.
Like, you gotta cross over. You gotta do this one with BTS. Snacks. Oh, man.
Is that the worst music video of all time?
Which one?
The Sunshine video with Jay-Z? Where it's like all the wild epileptic seizure, color changing shit.
No, this has been a lot worse. There's been like you've watched videos.
Like Big Budget.
Big Budget ones?
Yeah.
Like nothing's worse than a hood music video where they're using real guns.
Oh my God.
They just got their sister in the acting. Niggas don't even know how to do the fake phone call and shit.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yo?
Oh, they want to make big money moves today. We're going to take things over. That's right. 9mm Entertainment coming for their ass.
That's right.
Hold on. The feds is at my door. I gotta go.
Shit. Oh, shit, yo. Yo, we gonna make it happen.
Yo, what's up? Is Money Gallucci over here, part of the Luciano family.
That's right.
I got the drugs if you like them.
Yeah, I would love them. Come to hotel number room 801. That's where I'll be at.
Okay, but I'm bringing guns with me and coke.
Bring the guns and the coke. Make sure that you put them in a Louis Vuitton duffel bag.
That's the only way I move.
That's right.
They just hear like, just see the logo. Like
the beat drop like, the mad shitty graphic design logo.
Just someone
should like Victoria
someone
made
took
it.
out a second. Wow, shots fired. Pow, 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 pow.
Oh, yes, nigga.
Damn. Someone took out like a fucking second mortgage in their house to make the music video. That was like the wife was like, yo, for your birthday, I'll support anything you want to do. He was like, yo, I always wanted to be a rapper.
Yo.
Niggas gonna have like the sad album release party at a lounge on, I want to say, Boston Road.
Yo, you already know.
You know what I'm saying? One of those lounges that doesn't have security because they like, you should have brought your own security.
You should have brought your security. It got one pool table with like half of
one pool table, but it got 6 balls.
There's only one queue. Like niggas gotta take turns and shit. Like,
oh shit.
This man, old Puerto Rican Dolphins in there. Like, Bobby. Back in 78, this was the spot to be, Bobby.
It still got the jukebox that actually flips with the fucking. It's got Color Me Bad album. Best of Ray J. Shit.
Damn, that was a bop though. I'm not even gonna front.
Ray J, listen, everything attached to Ray J is a bop.
Yo.
Even when he's threatening niggas.
I heard a random.
How do we always end up on Ray J on this show?
I don't know, because he's just like an icon, bro. Like,
is he?
Like, I don't know. I feel like he opened the door for the whole Kardashian shit, like a little bit, kind of.
He did.
Like, not to take away from Kim and her accomplishments. Mm-hmm. I'm saying that with a straight face. Like, but like, he kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like how what's Shorty's name that right now that got that song? LMA?
LMA.
Ellie Mae, remember? We interviewed her, 3 years ago? Yeah, and she was like indie artist. Now she got fucking top charting joint.
The fuck does that have to do with Ray J? What are you talking about, nigga?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ. This nigga rambling.
No, but it's the...
This nigga Trump at a rally over here. This nigga just saying it. It's like, yo, George Soros money.
Judge, Ray J is an icon because of the fact that LMA has the top 10 joint right now. Trust me, I know these things. I'm from Queens. I'm a smart guy. I can shoot somebody in Fifth Avenue, nobody would care. Trust me. Fuck.
You should do that when they see if he still got it. Just clap a nigga at a rally. Just shoot somebody.
With a bird shotgun, like, wow, nigga, like you're going quail hunting and shit.
Like if he shot a MAGA person, be like, yeah.
And I'm like, oh my God, sign it. Sign my wound.
Quran was right. Oh, wow, follow him. I am Pizzagate.
He loves us. He used birdshot, not buckshot.
Oh, man.
I think buckshot would have killed me. Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Your man really is gonna skate off and nothing is gonna happen. Like nothing is gonna happen. Like every day that goes by, I'm just like, damn, nothing is gonna happen.
Welcome to America, baby.
Yeah, it's wild.
If you're a rich white man, you are, as the kids say, Gucci. So that makes it even sadder for like rich white men that got caught. They gotta be like, what the fuck? What? Come on. You don't gotta be type Bernie Madoff. So first of all, that's a cool name. That sounds like a rap name. Bernie Madoff with the racks.
Madoff with your bread, nigga.
Yeah. But nah. But see, he made a mistake. He crossed other rich white people, and they don't play that shit at all.
Like the Will Pons, aka the Will Ponzies. Fucking got caught out there. Yeah. Oh, fool, clever turner. Double entendre, nigga, don't ask me how.
Boom.
That's why the Mets will eternally... It's the Bernie Madoff curse, B.
Yeah. Wow, Bernie Madoff was... that's his criminal penalty. Well, he got 150 years. Woof.
God damn.
He has to forfeit almost $18 billion.
Ooh, nigga. God damn. And I feel bad when I pass a $20 bill at the fucking McDonald's. Like,
woo. Your man defrauded his clients of almost... All right, let's see. How much money do you think Bernie Madoff got away with? Victor, call it. On the line, we got Victor from New Jersey. Victor, go ahead. How you doing?
I want to say Nick Lachey actually hit it first, and I'm gonna go with 50 billion.
Well, okay, we got 50 billion over here from the curly haired guy from New Jersey, and next I got the guy from Fairlawn, New Jersey with the foreskin. How you doing?
Hey, all right. Hey, how you doing there?
Hey, what's going on there?
Good.
You sound like a sexy guy. How's it feeling?
My pecs are jumping.
That's good to hear. Good to hear.
First time, long time.
Hey, good to hear.
I'm gonna go ahead and say $75 billion.
Whoa, we got a big baller over here. Want to be a shot caller, brawler.
Yeah.
20-inch callers. Okay. The winner is $65 billion.
God damn.
That's a lot.
What'd you say, 50?
He's at $50 billion. Shout to Victor. Shout to Victor with the facts.
I'm sorry, Bernie.
I think it's okay. He's like slicing garlic mad thin.
If you still at $65 billion, at what point do you stop and say, "Holy shit, I am getting caught"?
Shit, like
because knowing me, after the first, I would have say 10,000. I would have been freaking out, like, "Oh my god, what have I done?"
Fam, we legitimately won money at a casino, and we were shook coming back.
That was literally the most ridiculous. They should have made a TV show about that.
Like
us trying to figure out how to carry money back on the plane.
Like, fam, you're coming from Vegas. Everybody does this. I didn't even think that. Like,
yeah, I had all that shit in my computer case, and I had the computer case held to my chest. Like, I put that shit through the metal detector. I have never watched something through a metal detector like that. I was like, let one of these creeps. let one of these TSA people even try to run off. I was so rich, I was using words like abscond. Like one of these people try to abscond with my money.
They got to trained to abscond. They go with your bread.
Remember, we went to the gate. We was like, we want first class ticket. We were trying to buy first class tickets like 10 minutes before the plane took off, and we were ready to pay cash, and they were like, "Yeah, we don't have anything left." Well, they're like hitting a button on the table, like, TSA, these niggas definitely running drugs.
Yeah, definitely. One of them, his name ends in easy.
I was like, "What do you mean, who?" And it was like Steve Stout had bought the last one. I was like, "Damn you, Steve Stout!"
And then we see the nigga at the airport. He's like, "Yeah, I took you for last first class ticket, motherfucker. I bought two."
I was like, "Damn!"
Just to make sure you couldn't have none.
Niggas stressed out for no reason. We're getting on the plane. I was like, that seat is empty. This nigga just put his feet up like
Like niggas getting a pap smear. Like, yo, what the fuck you doing? We could have been sitting there.
Nah, my left bicep likes to cramp up sometimes, so I had to get the extra leg room.
They got 2 bananas and shit for potassium and shit. I ain't trying to cramp up.
One day, what we gotta do, we're gonna rent a whole 747. Like, remember Rihanna took all those journalists on the flight?
Yes.
We're gonna do Bodega Air.
Oh, Bodega
We're gonna
plane?
give everybody, all the fans are gonna get a chance to win. And we're not telling you where the plane's landing. Who says the plane lands?
Genius. Square cash, make it
Square
happen.
cash, what's up? Cha-ching, ching.
What's good? What's good?
Hi, this is your
pilot, Desus, aka Young Chipotle, aka Fat Stock Pocket Stay Fat. Like, here we go.
Hey.
You ever seen a 747 do a barrel roll? Because you're about to.
You're about to, motherfucker. Hey.
Just mad fucking plates and shit in the roof. Who here seen Flight? Who here seen Flight? I'm like, I'll open the door so I can see who got their hands up. Who here seen Flight? I said the Denzel movie.
I just get my, hey, yo, listen, man.
You know what? Y'all don't want to answer? I'm gonna let Mero fly.
Yo, I thought I was flying like as a passenger, so I took 4 bars. I might fall asleep during the flight, but hey,
we open the cabin door, like mad smoke comes out and shit. So it's like the Scooby-Doo van. You just hear, when I get up, you hear mad Beck's bottles hit the floor. Niggas like, you guys don't have FAA approval. I'm like, fuck that. Like,
fuck out of
here.
here.
Trying to land at airports and shit. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, what up?
They're like, what's your tail signal?
Yeah, get the fuck. We gotta land in Atlanta and fucking start doing the fucking hitting them folks and shit. Like,
yo, they gotta leave the intercom on. I'm like, how you land?
shit, nigga. Fuck. Is it the one that said wheels?
How come like in Call of Duty this shit is like it's either up or down?
It's just that's it, bro. I just opened a briefcase and press some buttons. God damn, bro.
Is there a?
Is that like an auto land feature, nigga? Like this ain't a Tesla plane?
I think it's square. Because that gives you square and right trigger.
Oh, right.
So maybe.
Or maybe left, up, down.
I mean, in reality, can I just point this bitch at the ground and I can hop out?
Yo!
Niggas like, I thought we were going places. I was like, I say we was going places.
Nigga, we're going.
Nah, we could do that. We could just get, we just buy a whole bunch of tickets on Southwest and everyone just brings like American Gladiators. So we just all fight. That's what Southwest should do. It should be like, you fight to see who gets on the plane first.
Hell yeah.
And not like little pushing each other. Like, I mean like really
fisticuffs.
Like next time you go to Southwest, you put a lock in a sock.
Yeah, wrap your shit in gauze, dipped in glue and glass.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Come out there.
That blood sport Kumite shit.
People think you got nothing at the last minute. You spit out a razor.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas on some junior high school shit.
You gotta fight that bolo nigga at the end where he's just like
nigga come through with the wild pipe.
You gotta fight the nigga from Dragon Ball, from fucking Double Dragon with the big ass head.
Adobo or some shit. He would bust through that wall. You'd be like, yo, I am in trouble now.
Oh shit, this motherfucker had big as shit.
Oh.
This nigga look like a diesel baby.
When was the last time a video game scared the shit out of you?
Oh, this was a long time ago, but Resident Evil, the first one, where you first go into the police station, the Raccoon City police station, and you're walking through that hallway, and then the hands come out of the boarded windows and grab you, and you just gotta press like squares or shit so they get free. That shit scared the shit out of me, man. Like, cause I'm expecting like, oh, I'm gonna just find a zombie, I'm gonna shoot the nigga, whatever. No surprises here. And then the motherfucker just came through. Wow, like, what's up, nigga? I'm grabbing your nipples. I was shook, and I forgot homie's name. What's homie's name?
I don't know, but I'm still scarred by the zombie dogs. Everybody forgets
the zombie dogs.
Doberman pincers,
yeah, god damn.
Because they were the only fast ones, really.
Yeah, they were dumb fast, and the hit
meter
detection on like PS1 was not that great. So it's like you're shooting mad dogs and the motherfuckers are still on you. I'm like, no, I just wasted my whole clip. Now I gotta put the green herb with the red herb and make a fucking health herb. Fuck. So after Resident Evil for promoting weed though early in the game. You know what I'm saying? They had mad different strains. They had the red strain, the green strain, the blue joint.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, you mix some shit together and then you get a little health. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Niggas eating basil to get healthy. I don't understand how that works.
You could do that in real life. I do that every day. I start my day with a little basil.
Let's see some basil.
Chewing it raw.
like his coca leaf and shit. Like you making coke and shit. Niggas making bricks of basil.
No, my father likes to start the day with garlic powder on Garlic powder with grape jelly and butter on toast.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I thought my dad.
And shark cartilage tablets.
Wow.
Yes.
My dad did. Wow. West Indian dads are. Is there a template for
When you
these
get
days?
older, listen, it happens. First, you get the little pot belly.
Yeah.
Then you look at your sneakers and you say they're not efficient. My toes can't breathe. So you start buying just sandals for all seasons.
Fam, my dad like fully converted into Dominican dad, like Ralph Down, chinos, driving shoe,
Yeah.
dad hat.
I can't wait for
like,
driver shoes. Oof.
Oh, driver shoe wash level. Oh my god.
That's a nice level.
Yeah.
You know what I want? I want to get like a smoking jacket with patches on the elbows.
Yeah.
So flash it like that.
The tweed joint with the
Nice.
What was the guy's name? Remember, boys? You're good for this. Boy Meets World. Not Mr. Feeney, the cool teacher.
Oh, I don't know. The cool teacher.
He had a mullet.
Oh, he was like the cool teacher. We thought he was Sean's father, but he wasn't.
Yeah, exactly. Yo, he was Sean's father. Yo, matter of fact, that is yo. You have been made into a truther. Jonathan, what happened to Jonathan Turner?
Mr. Turner,
Mr.
Anthony
Turner.
Taylor Quinn.
What's he doing now?
He was the homeroom. He was the cool motorcycle riding homeroom teacher at John Adams High. Shout out to Sean, Topanga, and Corey.
Yo,
Yeah.
shout out to Topanga. Topanga's down.
Like Topanga.
Hey.
I don't know. As a kid, you were just like, yo, she's super sexy. You don't know what the hell that means.
You don't know what that means at all.
I was still eating ketchup sandwiches.
All you know is that when she comes on screen, you hear, ow!
Let's go.
Woo! Yeah! Or was that Kelly Bundy?
That was all of them. That's all of them. Wow, you took it back.
And then Joey, too. But, shit was way more misogyny. I mean, misogyny is misogyny, but,
Misogyny.
you know what I'm saying? Da-da. But they did the same shit for Joey on Blossom. Remember when Joey would come in and be like,
That was a little
"Whoa."
forced, though.
Yeah, it was.
That was unless the.
I think it was
but
canned.
it was like little girls or something. I don't know.
Canned. Yeah. We're going down a bad rabbit hole here. Let's not go down there. I don't want to imagine a 10-year-old attracted to Joey Lawrence.
But I mean, if you ever go to you're gonna have to start going soon. When you go to those concerts for Bieber and shit, and he'll do little corny shit hump the air, and they're start fucking fainting and crying. Can't wait.
God.
And watch, your daughter's gonna be into
Fuck. That's why I just see. So now, since you said that, I'm gonna go home immediately and just put the Bluetooth speaker in her crib and just start playing Mad Styles P.
Is that really the future you want to set it down on? It could all go wrong. What if your daughter just starts getting really into battle rap and shit? Then you got to drive her out to a Coliseum in Jersey where she got to watch One Eye fight Red Pirate. Niggas just coming at each other's necks and shit. Yo.
She do a diss track against Young M.A. and shit. They get into beef.
They mad close and shit on stage, but you got to be there to support. They're getting mad close, they about to hit each other, but not really. Got mad goons on. Are you gonna be one of the goons on stage with the leather?
Oh!
They be like, yo!
Look, just watch that nigga in Averex.
Oh, shit! They're gonna have a 50-year-old Averex. They be like, yo, that was the Averex pocket shot.
Yo, he got the vintage shit, yo.
Niggas gonna come up to you yo, enough respect for inventing hip hop, OG.
Yo, Cool Herc, can I get your autograph? I'll be like, yo, fam, come on, my nigga.
Oh shit,
please.
Big Pun, you still alive? Oh, shit. They be like, yo, shout out to my man Tony Sunshine over there in the cut. Yeah, if you get older, I would just start telling niggas you're a terror squad. That's it. That's my plan. That's my. I'll be like, you don't know from you can either pass for someone for terror squad or from the almighty RSO.
Oh,
you can take it because people will be like, is that a footballer? Club?
Yo, remember Tommy's theme, nigga, with D Block? Hello,
wow, Tommy's theme.
Yeah, that's the one. That's
from,
the one
from a critically acclaimed Made Men album that got five mics.
Yeah.
Now remember. 5 mics was the highest rating you could get in the source.
Little Kim's debut album got 4 mics.
Okay. Illmatic got
5.
But
Reasonable Doubt got 4.5 or something like that.
But when you got 5 mics, it was a big deal in the hip hop community. People talked about message boards and shit.
Yeah.
And they were like, yo, you got a 5 mic album. They opened the album review section with that shit.
Yep.
Not this time. I like the third page, hidden under Mac the Maniac double album available in stores soon. They're like, by the way, Made Men has a new album out and it's 5 stars. Five and shout out to their lead rapper Benzino, who's just the illest rapper forever.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, he owns his magazine.
Oh, yeah. Shut the Benzino.
I always felt that was a flex because, I mean, if Oprah has herself on the cover
That's true.
why not, give yourself 5 mics?
Why not? Like,
Damn, niggas used to take 5 mics as gospel. There's no review comes out anymore that you're like, yo.
But honestly, I feel like I could listen to every 5 mic album and not be disappointed.
But would you listen? But if you took away that accolade of them being a 5 mic album, would you still feel the same satisfaction? You don't, because they're forever in your existence. 5-star album.
Yeah, that's true.
About that.
Hardcore was good though.
Hardcore was good. Had to say some sus lyrics out loud.
Yeah, you did with the windows up. I used to be scared of the dick. Now I throw lips at the shit. Handle it like a real bitch.
It's like a whole boys in a room singing that shit.
It's just 4 niggas smoking the blunt in the car like,
Yo, she's spitting.
Yo, she's spitting bars, nigga. Pussy deeper than the bitch of a bitch 6 feet. Like, what? What does that even mean?
Gushy. Your tongue's in my pussy.
Yo,
like, oh, shit.
I be eating sushi, playing with my coochie. Like, whoa, okay. Okay.
Like, all right.
We out here. That's just like Pina Colada off the Rough Riders album.
Yes.
Where my niggas with the big dicks? What?
That's an interesting call of response. It's usually, yo, put your hands in the air.
Put your hands in the air.
Who got the big dicks?
Imagine you don't raise your hand. They in a concert, they're like, where my niggas with the big dicks? And you just there like,
just sit with your arms folded, like, they don't do enough inclusion here.
Yeah. Or you there with your shorty, she's like, nigga, stop lying.
They can put she pushes your head down.
Like,
a lot of people don't know that was the original hook for Fat Man Scoop's song. Bass drop.
Yo,
big dick in the night. Big dick in the night.
Big dick in the night. What? You got a 29.
Another big ass dick like this. Faye Evans rolling around, roller skating around on the big dick.
Like a giant inflatable dick. She's just sitting in shit like a throne.
That song is so weird because we all hate that song. Allegedly. No one ever wants to hear that song. Allegedly. DJs say they never want to play that song. Allegedly. Yo, let you be schmizzy.
Look.
In a club, I don't care if you 7 or you 70.
Yep.
You hear that, it's either time to go home or it's time to go on the dance floor.
Exactly.
That's it.
With your shoes off.
Okay.
With your shoes. Mine's taking
a
shoes.
A little shimmy, like,
you know what I'm saying? Hey. Ooh, do a little hit, little 2-step.
But if you hear that and you're young, you're like, damn, I'm in the wrong club.
I'm in the wrong club. There's 2 reasons why that song is important. 1, it gives the DJ the opportunity to go pee. Mm-hmm. And 2, it gives the opportunity for the wash folk to get out and enjoy life. You know what I'm saying? You get out there and just be like, you just hear that bass drop.
I mean,
bump.
Are you a DJ if you've never peed in a bottle in a booth?
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's ask Ted Smooth.
Look at this hard
call us up 1-800-222-9797.
That's how I know what it is.
Ted Smooth be like, you know I peed in the bottle before, nigga.
You trying to pee in the bottle on the low? Somebody want to come ask you for a request?
Big man, come up front, big man. Yo, take my bottle full of piss, big man. Dump this shit in the sink.
Oh shit! They need to add that as a feature in Serato, just like the pee bottle.
The pee bottle. Yo, that's what put me onto the pee golf club. Are you up on this?
No.
Like if you're a golfer, golf courses are enormous. Mm-hmm. And if you're playing 18 holes, like you're out there all day, and you got to pee, and it's not pretty much frowned upon in every golf course to pee on the course.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So there's a golf club that you could put in with your club set.
Oh, you can pee
that's
into
just to pee into.
Wow.
Yeah, and hold your piss. It's called the Euro Club.
You know what? That sounds stupid, but if you think about it, a lot of people who play golf are older. Generally have, they got a little leak problems, a little weak prostate, so I can see. And then I don't think you can like pause the game in golf. You can't be like, now I sound like one of those fucking commercials they showed the daytime with like a guy he's like about to swing a golf club and he goes, oh, go, and he has to like waddle to the bathroom. And like his homeboy looks at the watch like, come on, Jerry.
Trying to play through here.
And him and his wife about to make love. He's like, hold on a second. And he like waddles to the bathroom and take the wild man pee. He comes back, she got the bonnet on, she's sleeping. Like, go talk to your doctor, Jerry.
Come on, you have a weak prostate.
They show us like his daughter is walking down the aisle at her wedding, and he has to like turn around and waddle to the fucking bathroom. And everyone's like, everyone in the crowd's like, come on. And you just see another guy at the bathroom. Like, you see Jerry, he's like in the bathroom just holding his head. Another guy just happens to conveniently have the pills and like hands them to you, but it's fully in focus of the camera.
Like,
it was like, oh shit.
Peace stop.
Like, side effects may include suicide, death, depression, fire coming out your butthole,
heart failure, brain hemorrhaging.
Your penis may invert. You may also experience additional bladder leakage. And you're like, wait a minute, I took it to get rid of that.
What?
And they're like, some patients may actually kill themselves. You're like, whoa, hold up.
Whoa.
You slipped that shit in.
Fam, I'd rather piss on myself than kill myself. Like, if given the option.
Oh.
I mean, in certain scenarios.
Yeah. How does that work? You got to talk to your doctor about it? Like, yo, doctor, I saw the ad with the guy that had to pee too much.
How do I do that? How do I fix that?
Yeah.
Also, asking a doctor about, like...
Well, if you got a crooked doctor, like, they will... Anything you ask for, they will write you a prescription for.
Oh,
it.
Yeah, for sure.
Shout out to Dr. name. Because he's definitely keeping my father is definitely keeping that man in business. He'd just be watching 60 Minutes and comment. He'd be like, yo, I'm not getting enough estrogen, my nigga.
You come back home, your pops got the wild titties. Your pops got the wild titties.
The wild yammers.
The wild Janet Jack me joints.
But he's still walking around in his tighty whities.
Like, yo,
I pissed my house.
Yo, it's my house. This is my mother blood clad house. And the nipples poking through the mesh arena and shit. Like,
I'm like, Dad, you got the yammers.
Yo, it was really good.
You got the yammers.
I was like, wepa.
There was some medicine I was gonna go to my doctor and ask for, and it was like excess tearing.
Oh,
like
yeah.
stasis or some shit like that. Yeah. I was like, is that because I remember I mocked it like 3 years ago. I was like, how do you have too much tears? It's like having too much money. But then, like, I started noticing, like, I was just like, tearing up all the time.
My hands. I told my dermatologist, I was like, yo, that's why I have like all the makeup artists put the shit on the top. It seems like it's some diva shit. But I'm like, yo, I have hyperhidrosis of my palms and feet. Fam, if I wake up in the morning, like 5 a.m., kids wake me up, I go back to bed. By the time I wake up, the entire bottom where my feet was is just like sopping wet with sweat. Like, I'm just like, how do I fix this? Like, is there a way to do this? Like,
but see, you're saying, how do I fix this? And that's the problem. That kind of thinking is what makes people broke. You don't see the opportunity here for us to sell.
Who wants to buy Mero sweat?
Mero sweaty socks. You get Nike in on it? Yeah.
Yo, Shorty's been selling panties. Shorty's been selling panties.
I thought you said Shorty's be sending you panties. I was like, what? To what address? Let me get no shits like that, Red Bull.
Open a FedEx box and just mad old
panties and shit. She's like, all right. All right, sign for this, sir.
Sign for this box of used panties, sir.
Imagine, like, you go to your house and it's like, yo, we tried to deliver this 2 times. You got to go to the FedEx distribution center, which you always know is in the middle of butt fucking.
Of course.
Going to the FedEx or UPS distribution point is usually like going on like a zombie movie because that shit's mad far out the way or in a wild hood spot.
Fam.
Where like there's mad bulletproof glass. You can see niggas actually tried the bulletproof glass.
Fam, explain to me why a UPS standalone brick and mortar UPS is on Brush Avenue in the Bronx behind the Capri, the bridge, the shit. Like, there's nothing back there, fam.
Nothing.
There's nothing back there.
And
There's no reason to go back there.
The only way to find it, you gotta look to another UPS truck and just like drive after it mad fast.
Nigga, like,
and they know you're trying to fast, so they be trying to do mad turns and jick you and shit. Like that shit is like the
crazy taxi and shit. Like, come on.
Taxi. Damn. I went there the other day and I know the Uber thought I was trying to rob. He was like, you sure people drive over here? I was like, yeah, keep going all the way to the back of it. Yeah.
Yeah, the dark spot.
Yeah, make that right there.
Yeah.
He was like, you work here? I was like, nah, I'm just picking something up.
Yo, when a driver dropped me off at the crib the other day, he was shook because I live on a dead end street, and there's like 2 street lights on the corner, and then when you go in,
it's like dark.
You're dependent on your headlights straight up, and like porch lights and whatever like that. So homie pulled up, and he just like did this wild long pause before he made the turn, and I was like, fam, what are you doing? Like, you make a left. I'm
like,
right here.
This is as far as I'm going.
He's like, yeah, where, can you point to, please, to your house? I'm like, that one right there with the hoopty. That's my house. I live there. You see that child banging on the window? That's my child. Like, I'm not a maniac. I'm not here to home invade everybody on this block. I might be though. Nigga.
Could you do it home? No, because they say the Uber's only supposed to wait 5 minutes, but I've learned that most Ubers will just wait.
Oh yeah, the Uber this morning was about to dust me. Like
no, like if you take an Uber from one point to another point, like in between those points, like Uber will just like if you're just like yo, I'm gonna make it 2 stops, the Uber would just chill. Yeah. In between those stops, so they still getting money on the meter, and then usually they could take a piss break or like take a little nap or whatever. When I went to go take Charlie to the vet, I was inside the vet for almost half an hour, and at one point the Uber driver just came in and was like, "Where's the bathroom, boss?" I was like, "It's right there." I was like, "Yo, thank you so much for it." He was like, "No, I got you."
I actually got a little nervous because I got dropped off by Uber driver, and homie got out of his car after I got out of his car, and I thought he was gonna follow me into my crib and like rob me, and then I was just like, "Oh no! First of all, I'll kill you. Second of all, he just laid on his hood of his car and smoked like 3 cigarettes back to back." I'm like, dogs, talk to me. I'm here for you. Like, what's going on in your life?
Sometimes you gotta be stressful. Yo, Ubers be stressful, man. Ubers are stressful, and I feel like because every now and then you'll meet an Uber driver who'll tell you their life story. You try to avoid that as much as possible.
Oh God, thank you.
But a lot of them now, they just be having
those fucking AirPods.
They just be having like attitudes now. Like, and I'm not mad about that. I'm not a talker. You know what I'm saying? I don't want. We'll do the hey, how you doing? You know, this is your first drive today. All right, gotta go.
Yep.
I'm not trying to talk all. You know about the don't talk to me in the Uber pool. Oh shit, we didn't even do the AKAs, right?
Yeah, no, we did it.
Oh, wow.
We could do them.
We could do them. If you want to hear the AKAs, press 1 on your phone right now. If you don't want us to do the AKAs, you're enjoying the show, and it's going pretty fluidly and free, and you feel the AKAs would break things up, press 2 now. Okay, we're compiling the chats.
Let's hold on. Let's see what's coming in, dog.
Oh, looks up.
Oh, it's good. It's moving. It's going up and down. Oh, it seems to be.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Cereal,
right.
a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Here we go! Damn. Every time I say that, my soul dies a little. Because I know of all the AKAs, that is the one that's going to take. Someone's going to be like, oh, they're going to make a whole cartoon about that shit. Walking across the street, people be like, yo, here we go.
Here we go.
Yo, here we go.
That's going to be a Hemi time.
When it's not, here we go. Go on Jimmy Fallon. He's like, so, go ahead and say it. I'm like, yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
It was like, they love it.
Kill me now.
Just put me out of misery. But when Here We Go 3 comes out with Cooper Gooding Jr.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I'm not complaining about that.
Get ready. And he's at the rap party with his shirt off, drinking a cognac out the bottle. Mm-hmm. Yeah, with a lampshade on his head.
Oh, shit. Chris Dasport slinging dick. Eli Lippy, looks really cool. Yeah. Slow that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Orlando, 1994, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC the Groupie. Put up for 40 with your shorty. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool, man.
I don't know you.
At all.
I don't know you. We're not fans.
The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss. These is Rossi and the Jamaican dude. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the Cooney. Yeah. AK Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo K.
Papi Tamolino lost me tonight.
Two Phone Jones, Jesus says Maki, and the Jake Chuckles, the Human Dr. Bonders label, Dilute. Yeah. Dilute. Yeah. They changed the label now, but I mean, you still got it.
You still got it 3 times.
Like, listen, if you try to watch
don't eyeball that. Don't eyeball that.
You'll burn your clit straight off.
Yo, straight up.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because like Pino. Blurry.
Yeah.
just a nasty guy out here in these streets.
240 Pino.
Just saying, like, that's how all the good porn is like. Because, like, you got some scenes you remember from back in the you look like, damn, this is blurry as fuck.
I'm like, yo.
I can't beat my meat to this. But then the nasty side of you is, you can do anything you
do
want. You can do anything you put your mind to.
Yeah, Cherokee was lit.
You're like, yo.
Both of them.
This nasty nigga. A.K. DJ Woolite on Watch FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Kevin Rudolph. Y'all remember him?
Oh, wow. I am British and I do this type of music.
They Knicks play that every time they try to get the crowd amped up.
Like, what?
So they wonder why we have a losing record.
Fam, play computers.
That also had Lil Wayne on it, if you guys remember.
Yes, it did.
Okay, so give it up. Give it to Kevin. I'm sure we could get away with using that. Ain't no algorithm checking for that song. We should be pretty good. We should be pretty good. Damn, I actually saw him perform live at the Garden.
Oh my god!
And they did it at halftime, and they turned off all the lights and shit. Niggas was tight because we couldn't like get up to really go to concessions because it was mad dark and you couldn't.
You couldn't bump into shit.
I think that season the Knicks won like 10 games.
Oh god!
If going back and doing the math, like I've spent a lot of money in Madison Square Garden. Like I'm starting robbing them.
Yeah, but then you go to fan appreciate. Oh no, there's no more.
No more fan appreciation. They don't appreciate the fans. They're like, yo, appreciate this, nigga.
Fuck. Are these flaming hot Cheetos? Because I don't want anything that I can OD on.
No, just regular Cheetos.
Okay, cool. I don't want to get sent to the ER like Lil Xan.
Yo, the Curry Gold. These are spikes. Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, and Dion. Ray nephew's nephew, the Marino. You cannot contain him.
No,
Don't
you
try to
can't.
contain me. If you see me being contained, that means I gotta check from the container store though. Like it's like probably the whole thing.
It's like
That could be an ad for the container
It's a
store.
bag.
This
It's
is
a
like
bag.
me and you walk into the container store, and then
it's
you're
like,
like, "Where Jesus go?"
I have a Moreno. I can't contain him.
And they're like, "We can help you with that." And then like they open a closet door, and I'm like, "Oh wow,
Oh, wow, it's
they
so
contained
spacious."
me." And then the person in charge of ads at container store was like, "We gave y'all $20 million for this."
For
And Victor's like, "Yeah, we call it quick strike content." You're paying a premium, but they can create
People-
advertorial anywhere.
we at the Maldives, like all three of us butt naked, like running around the street with millions of dollars in cash.
Right on that banana boat, like Dwayne Wade in there.
Butt ass naked.
I'm excited for this phase. That shit on Twitter where I'm just in the background, people notice me from the hair.
Yep.
I'm very excited.
Oh,
for this
you know
phase
what's happening.
in our careers. Yeah.
You know what's happening.
Fam,
Container, so cut that check.
Fam, niggas circle this man in photos like it's like a Bigfoot sighting. Like, oh shit, yo, look, it's young Bruno. And then like niggas will literally edit the photo to circle and like put arrows and shit and be like, Bay. It's like a fucking Tiger Beat magazine where they like put like little hearts and stars and shit.
That's when
Like,
you know you're getting it.
Hey.
When the background dudes become important, that's when you know you're getting it.
Oh, the him and Meme were the jaw. Young Aaron, the race bar tour. Hedrick Because Nelson Bank, Dollar Surgeon can't see me. Vladimir Booth and Human World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck, Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris says Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi. Now, man, people, I got that cucumber.
Yo.
Juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it.
right.
That picture of us in the Yankee Stadium with Victor right here, that was quite the flex. Though.
oh, that was
So the seats wasn't cheap, baby.
Yeah,
You know what it is.
We ain't the cheap seat boys.
Hey, you know what it is.
You know
The
what I'm
Don
saying?
Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, you see us at Yankee Stadium. No, we're sitting there, Jerry Springer and Mike Francesa.
That's right, pal.
I could throw a pizza roll at Giuliani.
That's right. I could play catch with Sevi.
Yeah, we're right there.
Right there, pal.
The Fashion Nova, Cash Nova. We made 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Small change, give me.
What you want?
Big money.
What you want? What you need?
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mrs. Sager, catch me at square one. Top left, man, just
Yo.
Merv. True Resuda, holy cow. Mrs. South Park, so all we do is count checks and turn off.
Oh.
We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny. Hey. Also, this fish is bad. You gotta get out of here. David Yurman. It's a jewelry store. And people didn't know that.
Yeah. Y'all didn't know that?
They didn't know.
Oh,
These expensive.
yeah.
These expensive.
Come on, B.
Smokeem Noah, still getting them Knicks checks? Still getting them Knicks checks.
He's still getting them Knicks checks.
Andrew Kuhn.
While playing for the Timberwolves.
A.K. the Junior, Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Mommy Charger.
Yo, sit putted.
Because we just traded him out, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like, yo, get him out of here.
Yeah, he
but play him.
Hey,
But pay him? Give him to another team, but pay him? I don't understand that logic, but hey, whatever.
Listen.
James Dolan, bro.
Yeah, that's his money.
It's a straight shot.
That's why I was like, somebody was like about the Yankees payroll, and I was just like, I mean, if you got it, spend it.
Like little, to quote Poet Laureate Lil Wayne, it ain't tricking if you got it.
Yeah, I mean,
you know what
like,
I'm saying? Like,
and I mean, it's not like,
oh, you bought your team.
it's not like if your payroll equaled championships, then the Yankees would have won every championship for like how many years? So it's like a very piss poor excuse. Bringing up, this is a hot take. This is a fuego take.
Fuego.
Bringing up the Yankees payroll is no different than bringing up black on black crime in Chicago. I said what I said.
That's right. That's right.
I said what I said. All right?
Overstand.
Overstand. Open your third eye.
motherfucker.
Call me Petco because I got you.
Teach these devils. Teach these devils.
I'm from the ballpark. I was like, you know why they give you ketchup and mustard? Because the mustard is masculine energy, while the ketchup is like period blood. That's the
right.
feminine energy. And you put it on a hot dog. You see how they put in the subliminal homosexuality that you think about it. Think about it. They holding bats. What are bats? Big dicks.
That's right. Phallic energy.
Think about it. A catcher's mitt is just a choach.
That's right.
That's all it is. You hit with your bat, you hit a white ball, which is embryonic of the sperm, which you catch out there. So they're showing that it's not original for the African American man to be monogamous, because we want to put our white sperm in many different catcher's mitts.
Spit that knowledge, God.
I'm just like, I'm just looking.
Teach these devils.
I'm looking for gate 4. My StubHub thing won't come up.
Excuse me, I haven't finished yet.
But yeah.
You are a devil that needs to be chose. That needs to be taught.
I understand that, but
you are a devil that needs to be taught.
Okay, if you're gonna stand behind the low bells counter, are you taking orders or not?
Sir.
Can I talk to the manager?
Here's your garlic truffle fries.
Thank you.
You white devil.
I don't know if that last part was necessary, but thank you. Do you know where there's napkins?
No.
All right.
Wipe your mouth like the Kubian cave dweller that you are.
They're like, how did he make it to 162 games here? They're like, Jamal, can I talk to you about that thing again?
Again? That was the mayor's son. He wasn't even white.
Oh, he's mixed.
He has an afro.
The topic of gossip is Syosset. What happened to Syosset? Anything popping to Syosset this weekend?
Probably some sweet lax.
Sweet legs, bro. Sweet legs, bro. Behind the back goal, bro.
Oh, shit. Listen.
Nigga golden legs.
Listen. Catch me fucked up after the shout out to people taking the LIRR to Yankee game. I know you guys are going to be fucking ripped.
Yo, the people that were sitting next to us bounced at the end of this. I think it was the 7th when the game was like clearly like over.
Yeah,
and they were like, "Oh, we're going back to Long Island." I was like, "Yeah, good luck."
Yeah,
good luck.
You got to take the 4. I mean, that's not that. You got to take the 4 back to the
to 42nd.
Oh yeah,
Grand Central.
you gotta take it to Grand Central and then take the shuttle and then take the train down to 30. Wow. So you gotta be about it.
You gotta be really about it. That's why Billy Joel doesn't even go to Long Island anymore.
Nah, he's just like, come to 34th Street.
Come to 34th Street.
That's where I'm going. Wow. AKA Grandpa Joe, you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. That's my cat who scratch your ass. Mr. Chopping the street, he's like a bad breezy. Like I'm easy, please believe me. The black easy addict, crack your back like automatic craftmatic, Mr. La Marina, and a mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor, code demeanor, aka you're problematic babe. If you drink the whole 5th of gin before the baseball game, you don't gotta buy drinks.
Oh, that's a perfect strategy.
Just slam it down in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Make it warm. Keep it in your trunk while you're tailgating. And just guzzle it. Get some of your boys to be around you so they be like, don't be a pussy. Just chugging in, it's just like coming off the side of your face. And you be good for the first, I want to say 5 minutes. After that, you get through the gate, you scan your tickets, and then you're not going to remember shit from that.
Yeah, then your legs turn into linguine and you're like, who won?
You're passed out for all the innings and you wake up at like the 6th inning.
The cop wakes you up like, hey, asshole.
You think your clothes on fire, so you take all your clothes off and run on the field and shit. Fucking Voight got to like stiff arm you.
He said, hey, what are you doing, pal? I was about to hit a fucking wheelie whack.
He hits you with a fucking haymaker and shit. You end up on the fucking not top 10 plays.
Whole crowd's like, ooh. Fuck out of here.
You get spared by Yankee security. I caught you, white devil.
Jamal runs out from behind the food stand to tackle
Jamal fed up. Jamal throws down the low bell steak sandwich like, I got this.
This is my time.
Coming from the bullpen, I think it's Jamal. Look at the speed on him.
Oh my God, the closing speed is amazing.
Those are the non-slip shoes.
They got on scheduled relax fit. Yo, the most dangerous podcast in the motherfucking world. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Scott Roller jump the curb, hit the fucking dog, keep it moving. I don't care, nigga. Call Peter, nigga. They'll have him throw fucking paint on my mink, nigga. I don't care. I got 5 more. I know fucking baby, I fucking ming, my nigga. Don't need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I just got nominated for a fucking VH1 Fashion Award, asshole. How do you feel about that, huh?
Is that a thing?
It is now.
Okay.
Me and Molly Sims. You know what I'm saying? Don't even check the guest list, B.
Molly Sims.
I'm aka CC Dad Bath, yeah, aka get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? Because I am the mayor of Smack City, yeah. AKA I got all my kids in QB camp with Pat Mahomes and soccer camp with Mariano de lo mío personal because I'm the what? Dad of the year, AKA Ben Smack Biombo, AKA the Yayo Merodana, AKA digging your baby Mutombo. You know, come in this pussy no more.
No more in that pussy.
This pussy belong to me. This album is R&B. AKA the new coach of the Knicks, David Trisdale. Pow, 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 pow. Take that for data, motherfucker. AKA Barlow's antenna so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the car to go. And it's a smart car, so I just flip the shit over and keep it moving. AKA the Dominican Dada Daddy, AKA swipe my card again, dog. Stop fucking playing with me. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. Wipe it on your pants. You're embarrassing us both. You know who the fuck I am. I was the voice of the Hamburglar for 20 years, nigga. Respect my authority, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos, so zany.
Gobble, gobble.
Yeah, that was it. Rabble.
I'm sure he's like, them checks must have cleared up.
Yo.
So they're probably, hello, I'm trying to meet Mr. Mr. Bill Collector.
Yeah.
Here to meet the Hamburglar. Is he here? It's like,
Rabble.
Rabble, no, that's not me.
Rabble. No,
Rabble, you want someone else?
Rabble, he's at home. Rabble, wrong Rabble.
I know that's you.
I can hit the stripes through the phone.
What was his whole thing? He was just like stealing burgers.
He's stealing burgers. He's stealing burgers.
There's certain like the Joker, his whole shit was just like fucking shit up with makeup on.
Yeah.
The Hamburger, like you're stealing like how was he stealing sacks of burgers?
Like I don't understand. Like
that sounds more like an addiction.
Yeah.
What's the reselling of burger? Who's buying like loose burgers?
I'm going on StockX right now to see what the fuck is what the resale is.
Niggas got a Supreme cheeseburger.
Yo, I got a Dex Stock Rodeo burger, my nigga.
That's what. Yo, this shit's from Ponderosa Steakhouse.
AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me black out. Tu favorito, mami. I'll try hump a BBW on stage, nigga. I don't care. I'll kiss your grandmother. I don't care how old she is, nigga. I'll kick you in your face with my Chelsea boot.
Wow.
You better not scuff it. I got the Crep Protect, stupid. AKA Lighten Out Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five. My throat's a little sore because we just won the wild card game, and
I was trying to figure out what my voice is like.
He might have to auto-tune that.
Yeah, I was like, what happened to my voice? I was like, we were at Yankee Stadium screaming like assholes.
Wilding the fuck out. AKA Tom Brazier girl got my balls deflated, but it doesn't matter because I can't spell Lee without Eli. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson. I want to explore your costumes, especially that milky shit that be stuck to the bottom of your panties.
Ew.
Yeah.
It's like pussy nougat.
Yeah. Pussy nougat. Yeah. Call me Three Musketeers.
Pussy. Wow. Remember they used to have the actual Three Musketeers in the ad? Now they're like, fuck that. Just eat chocolate, nigga. How do you even advertise chocolate?
Like, niggas just chocolate.
They're like, yo, nigga.
You either fuck with it or you
fat
don't.
nigga? Do you like chocolate? Are you on your period? Boom. Which one of y'all three things? Get over here.
Get over here. Get this.
Are you mad high right now?
Huh?
Are you about to just blow $20 snacks and you know it's no fucking good? Are you about to buy the pork rinds and you know no one buys the pork rinds at the bodega, but now you're going to buy them and eat them?
Are you going to blow the dust off the bag of pork rinds before you buy them?
Wipe them outside your bag and shit? Shit don't even got an expiration shit?
No.
The date is like, yo, you shouldn't be eating this shit.
Come on, man.
What's wrong with you?
It's just a fucking conceited gift. Like
when you smack, that's when you start getting like fucking experimental with snacks and shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cinnamon cupcakes.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Pecan rolls? What if I put cheese on a pecan roll?
They got, oh my God, watercress flavored Skittles? Why not?
Why not? Fuck it, let's try it.
Let's go. Nigga eat a horseradish Mounds bar.
Yo, let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese. But could you put some soursop on that?
Yeah. Oh shit, back at Alito now laters.
Oh my God, that sounds disgusting. AKA Friday Messi, MVP of Gelato, AKA Zeno Benfield. I ain't gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? So I can deal with my social anxiety, AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. And if they're in a fight in front of Mama Sushi on the night that you go, you went on a bad night.
You gotta go inside the man. You gotta think you get your meal for free.
Yeah, you do.
It's like when niggas don't smile at you and They don't have that in New York, but when you go outside of New York, they're like, yo, if you didn't get a smile, talk to your manager. You get like 10% off.
Yeah.
And that's why we smile at customers, Jamal.
Yeah.
Jamal's like, fuck that.
Fuck them devils.
Jamal, that's not the greeting. I don't think you working here at the Chick-fil-A is going to work out.
Sir.
This is why you came highly recommended from Madison Square Garden and Yankee Stadium. But no. We thank our visitors here, and we bless them. We ask them to have a good Christian day. Can you do that, Jamal?
Yeah, whatever.
All right. There's a customer right there.
By the way, Jesus was black, nigga.
Okay, that's cool and everything. Just
motherfucker.
As long as you believe in him.
Fuck out of here. Fucking clowns, be about to fucking light this shit on fire, nigga. About to dump this.
Jamal!
Oh, I'm sorry. I got a grilled chicken. Can I get these grilled chicken nuggets up, please? Joey? AKA Ben Boston, my hands are gifted. I will replace your cervical vertebrae with your brain, so you can mind your fucking neck. Candy, get the motherfucking strap. Ooh. AKA, open your medicine cabinet. Protect your benzos, nigga, because it's the Zen, man. It's AKA, Rico Sabroso. She like the way it tastes. AKA, Lucius Lioness, nigga. Come on, man. Of course I wasn't trying to steal these paper towels, man. I just forgot that they was at the bottom of my card, man. Come on now. I would never do something like that. I've been nominated for various awards, man. Come on now. AKA, Baby Newport, 2-5 niggas got garbage on the way. My shit ain't staying from North Carolina either. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brash with the car down. AKA live from 174th and Townsend, collecting cans while the super yells at him, hey, stop opening the bag. Stop opening the bag. They don't take the bag if you open the bag, motherfucker. It's the East Tremont Stevie B.
I got a broken bat. Takes Stevie B out the can. Leave him alone. He had hits.
I want to be the one.
Leave him. My auntie loved him. Let him get the cans. He don't bother nobody.
Methadone.
That's just Stevie. Why you always giving him a hard time? You OD on him. Leave him alone. He just be singing in a microphone and not even connected to nothing. He don't hurt nobody. Why you so stupid? Just let him collect his cans. Screaming out the window and shit.
Like, leave him. That's my cousin, y'all.
Leave him alone.
Stop.
Niggas talk nice to him in the bodega. Stevie. What's up, my man? Stevie, I see you.
What's good, baby?
Trying to be like you, playboy.
Hey.
You know what? Here's $1. You always make my mother happy when she would hear your song.
Man. Hey, look. All right,
man.
Man.
Don't touch me, you dusty nigga.
Yeah, you dusty motherfucker. Hey, that texturizer is still hitting, though, bro.
I see you. I see you, playboy. I see you.
You dripping. You dripping for real.
Yeah, Stevie B's gonna fuck us up. Stevie B's gonna beat the shit out of us one day.
Yeah, you got that old Puerto Rican man strength.
Because I wouldn't even know what he looks like.
Yeah, he's just gonna grab both of us by the back of the neck, and I'm gonna be like,
I was a fan. He's just like, he's gonna be chasing us. We just keep hearing like fucking freestyle beats. Like, ding, 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 ding. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh shit. I wanna be the one that's fucking breaking your neck.
He's beating us up.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh man.
AKA, there's no more rock stars. You know what I'm saying? It's only the Bodega Boys left. I've told you that millions of times. You know, it's the plantain swooping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. 'Cause I got hoes calling a young nigga fun. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail. AKA, starting at forward, stacking knots and copping drops like a boss. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Short Hills at Smashburger, drinking a milkshake, gambling with my colon, approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal, I will react aggressively, fam. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off melatonin and some old Advils and Midols I found at the bottom of my mom's purse. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting lazy with this shit. AKA, Hasan, dime la pita. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de ti FIFA, coño. Somos ricos, coño. Conmigo no force, manín. Que ando con la tabla, soba como la larga de un cuero. Yo estoy frío en todos los bloques. Respeta los rangos, cacoñema. Que tú estás desgranado. No vengas a joder pa' aquí. Parte pa' este lado, lambonazo, coño. Y como te lo dije anteriormente, si tú fueras un carro, coño, mamá huevo, tú fueras un Lamborghini. Sin puerta.
Is there going to be fisticuffs? Going on there. It's very spicy.
You can never tell when Dominicans about to fight, because they be talking about baseball like they're about to fight, but they're not.
They talk about baseball and women with the same passion and intensity, so you don't know. But they also just randomly yell at cabs. Tell people to go pick someone up for Arthur Avenue and shit. Baseball. What's your food of choice during do you still have the fucking bracelet for the wild card game?
I do. On? It's for good luck. And Heather told me yesterday, she's like, "You're not gonna take that off." I was like, "No, I'm not taking it off until we win Game 1 of the series, which will lead to the sweep. That's it. This is my good luck wild card bracelet."
Look at all you people. All you people think it's about pitching and oh my god, this guy hits the ball. No,
it's about
it's
voodoo
because
and
of
shit.
real fucking fans like Mero, who do superstitious shit like that.
Exactly.
Okay, and my superstition. What I like to do, I like to get a plate of hot wings.
That's good.
For the
You have to.
gotta get the hot wings.
Yeah, you need that.
I always get the big ass plate and I eat two and be like, oh, I can't finish this.
Okay,
My
good.
butthole gonna be burning.
Yeah, you put it in your fridge and then you open it. What is the cutoff limit for you to eat something that's left over in your fridge?
Ooh.
And does it depend on what it is, how you cook it? You know what I'm saying? Like how you reheat it, whatever.
Niggas said cook it. Let me see. What's the cutoff limit? Yeah, no. Now I'm living better. Living a Gucci sweater now. I'm living better now. 2 days.
2 days.
2 days.
I respect it.
2 days. I
respect it.
don't keep anything in my fridge
respect it.
longer than that. Gotta go.
Yeah,
Also, I was getting prepackaged meals that we just popped in the freezer. Like they were whole dinners and shit.
Oh,
It was
shit.
like you get like it was good shit. It was getting like
Meal plan and shit?
It was meal plan and everything.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
All right.
Trying to eat better, man.
Oh, okay.
Trying to eat better. Then I threw all that out and started like just fucking ordering ramen and everything. Then I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Hold the noodles. Just pour the sodium right in my mouth.
Fuck
Let's go.
it. Fuck it.
Just ordering a big batch of MSG and eating it like sugar, like in my palm. And
Nigga just take a salt shaker and dump it in his mouth and shit. Like fucking my tongue fell out, but fuck it.
my insides look like slugs. Like,
Oh god.
like, please, we beg for a beverage and just wash it down with beer. They're like, no, my God, just water.
Please.
When it rains, the water gets into my skin. My skin's like, oh my God, please, thank you. I'm so parched.
Oh my god, I need it.
I think it's time to switch to my drink of choice. I think it's time to start drinking just straight vermouth.
Vermouth?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
I was like, wow.
Imagine I just had a sifter of vermouth right now.
That's a hard left.
That is. Listen, I'd have some things that have to go drastically wrong in my life for me to hit vermouth.
I don't even know what that's made, because I know vodka's a potato. Whiskey is...
Learn some shit with the kid Mero. It's science, motherfucker.
Whiskey is a grain, right? Grain alcohol?
I believe it's corn.
Whiskey's corn. Cognac is just like wine?
No, cognac is it's made from the. Isn't it made from like runaway slaves?
Oh my god!
Jamal, I told you stop.
Jamal, stop! Jamal, stop! Get back to your post, Jamal. There's people waiting for truffle fries.
It's like I was ordering a chicken biscuit. He was talking to me about cognac. Runaway slaves. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. The nuggets are free.
And put your hand back on. The straight backs are getting in the food.
Oh shit! Eat at Jamal's. Eat at Jamal's. Too spicy for Yakubians. I'm like, that's not a good marketing.
It's not, I don't think that's a good marketing. Yeah, I don't think that's a good name for a company.
Oof. Yeah, yeah, Henny. I'm not a straight Henny dog drinker. I don't think I'll ever be that. Hennessy is like a little too rough, right? I'm not trying to pull up at Foley's and be like, yo, let me get a Henny. Like
straight.
Yeah. Like, nah,
I need something a little more smooth. Henny got a little bite to it. I like the Brugal because it doesn't. There's no after.
Yeah.
It's just like you drink it, it's like, ooh, and then it's done.
Brugal, I've never dated a Dominican guy, but Brugal feels like dating a Dominican guy because it's very smooth. You enjoy that first. Yeah. And then, boom, at the end, it all hurts. It all catches up with you.
Yeah, it'll catch up with you. Either you're throwing up,
you
got
credit
the
report, you got kids.
You're like, yo,
how did he do this to me?
How did he get my social security number?
I went to school. You're in the living room. There's like two other women. They have on bridesmaid gowns. And you all got invitations for the same day. You're like, swiping, no swiping. Just like run out the room. Like, oh, shit. Chat, he did it again.
Damn, he got me to sign off on 90 Day Fiance.
Ah! Shit. You got played by a Dominican. Gotcha. That's our new show. You got played by a Dominican.
Yo, that's it. That's a whole industry out there. Shout out to all the Sanky Pankies. Is that a Caribbean thing or is that just a Dominican thing?
I think that's everywhere.
And like motherfuckers trying to get visas to come to the U.S.
Yeah, you could do that. They do that in Africa. They do that in Europe. People talk about that. But, you know. So,
as a matter of fact, I had a cousin who was dating a shorty from, I think, Australia.
Australia's not in Europe.
But it's like mad far, right? You need a visa to come from Australia. That's just like another planet.
Yes.
yeah. It's not the
Yes.
You don't fly Southwest to Australia.
The Kid Mero's keynote speech to the UN continues to ramble on. He mentioned something about Brugal and Australia.
Let me tell you niggas something. Brugal is very smooth. Australia is wildfire. I've done more for anybody than anybody has ever done in the history of the world. Also, I'd like to say that Brett Kavanaugh is my guy. He has Giuliani teeth on top and on the bottom. That's why I respect him. Thank you.
Everyone's like, how did we vote Mero in after? We miss our old good President Donald Trump.
If I was president, bro,
You come through with the Wild Supreme and shit and stuff like that. They're like,
yo, what up? Yo, it was good.
Sorry, your chain. We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Shit's just like.
We can't hear you at the keynote on the UN.
So what I was saying was like, yo, shout out to all the, shout out to Uganda. Yo, wake up. Yo, Mugabe, yo, stop playing with me, B. I got bars, yo.
Everyone got like the headphones on that are translating, so there's like a slight delay. Everyone's like, what did he say?
What does he mean by dead ass?
What is that?
What does dead ass mean?
Slap fire out ass.
Yo, Putin. Yo, you a puta, my nigga. Straight up.
The Latin countries are like,
oh my.
no me diga.
No me di. Oh, socorro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, shout out to Condorito. You know what I'm saying? All my South Americans.
I'm like, I would like to point out to the rest of the UN that somehow the kid Mero, supreme leader of DR, has somehow put on the table a requisition for $500 billion in arms for DR.
Yes, I have.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to veto that.
No, we need them because what had happened was we got into a fight over a hookah. And there was just one gun in the whole neighborhood, so we need more armaments to be able to defend ourselves. Yo, that was that's a problematic song, right? Is it a problematic song? We getting A-Rap money?
Extremely
problematic, right?
Problematic.
Wow.
Extremely problematic.
Because now, like, I don't hear the lyrics, I just hear the beat and the hook.
Because wasn't it in
And
NBA Street too?
Yeah, and Ron Browse is not even speaking any language. It's like, like when people make fun of Asian people and they be like, yo, ching, ching, ching. Like it's the same exact thing. Yeah. I was just like, oh shit.
Well, I don't really know anybody that makes fun of Asian people like that, but
I don't either, but like
you took it back.
Yeah. That's like
you took it back to like
that's 80s shit.
You took it back to like school.
That's it.
You took it back to I'm on the Apple computer playing number crunchers.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, wow.
That's Oregon Trail shit. That's like, yo.
That's like me Chinese. We play joke. We put PPE and Coke.
Coke, yes.
Which we were saying it in an all black school. I was like, who
there's no Asian kids here. Like, I don't understand. Why would you say that? Yo, and this goes back to something I said on Twitter previously. Junior high school kids are the foulest children on the planet, and they will say the worst, most problematic shit ever in the history of the world.
Yeah.
And you have to nip that shit in the bud.
Yeah.
If you got a 12-year-old, you got a 13-year-old, you got, you know what I'm saying? And they're over here wilding, saying wild shit, you gotta dead that shit early, bruh. Because that shit will only stick. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Nip them in the, like, once you start seeing them wilding, you gotta...
Tell them to chill. Yo, you want to get a bag like me? Stupid. Or you want to just live in my shadow forever?
Wow.
That's what I be telling my 3-year-old.
Here's a hypothetical. This father had $1,000 in an envelope, intended to use it to pay back his parents because they got him season tickets to watch some football game.
Okay.
The envelope disappeared.
Okay.
They're looking for the envelope. They discovered their toddler had been playing with the shredder. When they looked inside the shredder, the baby had shredded the whole grand.
Wow.
What would you do?
Wow. Wow, 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 fuck out of here. I mean, to be fair, I feel like my kid spent a G on Roblox already, but that's just, how old was the kid?
3, huh?
3? 3.
Why they got access to the shredder?
Also that.
Yeah.
Like, fam, you don't have a childproof, how do you have a...
And he probably didn't have the money in, like, the drug dealer way. He probably didn't have his stash.
Yeah,
he probably just had it, like, on top of the kitchen counter.
Yeah.
He didn't have it under the mattress.
Come
or
on,
in the random Nike box.
Nigga had it, like, right next to, like, the cookies. Like, duh, stupid. And, like, a 3-year-old is like, nah, you're teetering. Like, they know, but they don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't understand. Like, a 3-year-old's not going to understand, like, this is $1,000. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I break it down to my kids, like, yo, this is X amount of Nintendo Switch games. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, these games are $60 a pop. So in order for you, because you lost the shit, now you're not getting it.
Ooh.
So now you got to earn it by doing X, Y, Z. And when you get that $60 up, then we can go get Splatoon 2 again. Motherfucker. I always am there like that so they know this shit is real.
They're like, oh, okay.
Okay, Dad.
Does the teacher sitting there like, okay, you start school like that?
Okay, all right. Time to call Desus.
Okay. Davis.
Desus got the whack, like...
Yeah, they thought they were doing something with that name.
Like, get
They
out of here.
kind of named it after the dog from Empty Nest, but not
Like,
really.
nah.
Davis.
Bro.
That sounds like
what does that
some
even stand
mutual
for?
funds.
Department of Infant Family.
Is that what that's called here in Jersey?
in Jersey? 'Cause
I
it's
don't know.
it's the CPS version. No, not CPS. What's the kid?
Children's Protective Service?
Yeah, CPS. Yeah, Child Protective Service. It's the CPS of Jersey, but it's called Davis. Why don't they just call it CPS?
I don't know. Maybe they got cool jackets made already. Don't fuck that bag up.
Niggas got the embroidery already on the shit.
They got a bowling league. They was like, don't fuck this shit up for us.
We're playing the teachers union next week, you asshole.
The Dyfus Dimes. All right? Okay?
That's a softball team.
Yeah. All right? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
4 years in a row.
Hey,
4 years in a row. Number one softball team in South Jersey.
That's right.
Okay?
That's right. Fuck these little kids.
Look at Edna over there. She doesn't do shit in the office. Hell of an arm in right field. Mookie Betts. Yeah. Get a load of her.
Yeah.
Okay?
I bet you she'll outthrow him. How about that?
You in the park. You're like, hey, isn't that the lady that took away our kids on first?
Hey.
Oh, shit.
Oh, wow. Shout out to her. Oh, my God. Head first slide into second.
Hey, Janet Esposito, you fucking bitch.
You took my kid away because you found a Newport in an ashtray.
Fucking throw a rock at her over the gate.
Yo. Oh, my God.
Start telling all your bitch. Well, I wouldn't have to take away your kids if your house was a fucking dirty. Why your kids coming to school with coke and roaches in their bags? Clean your house.
Clean your house, you dirty ass bitch.
You're like,
What the fuck, bro?
Get your head in the game. Get your head in the game,
come on,
Janet.
let's
Heads
go.
up, heads up.
Let's go.
Heads
Let's
up.
go, Janet.
We shift to the left. Remember, don't play too hard. None of us have health insurance.
Infield shift coming to third baseline. This guy's a lefty.
You're like, I don't play baseball. I don't know what that means.
I don't know what that means at all.
What hand does the glove go on?
Trying to get the shit already.
Always fun.
God.
It's always fun to play sports with like people you work with because you might have like a grasp of knowledge of the sport on a super level and they don't.
At all.
And they just want to have fun.
Yeah.
And it's always a recipe for disaster.
Oh,
Every time there's like
man.
a sports event, you never see a sports event at a company without somebody limping into work on Monday. Like, yo, I
Dog.
tore both ACLs,
Yeah, 'cause
getting a
you-
foul ball or some shit.
Fam, why are you diving on the floor at the student faculty basketball game?
And you haven't played
For a loose
basketball in
ball.
10 years.
You haven't played
Like,
basketball?
Why would you do that to
Why?
yourself?
Why?
Oh, I got this.
Why?
Oh, I got this.
My strategy,
Johnson's coming in hot. Give it a lane.
fam.
They can go up and you hear, ah!
My entire strategy for the student faculty basketball game when I was working in the school was just like do the hot sauce shit, call up like some like little tiny 10-year-old nigga, cross him up, bring him back out, cross him up again, and then just pass the ball to the assistant principal who had the wet jump shot.
Oh, shit.
Because the white assistant principal always got the wet jump shot.
Always. You'll find out like they were like 1 credit short of going to the NBA. But their father had to go to war or some shit.
I had a dude who had a trick shot where he would like stand at the foul line and like the gym had like these columns on top of the shit. And he would just throw the ball up in the air, bounce it, and it would bounce reverse off the column and into the
wow.
basket. I'm like, how long did you practice this, you fucking white panda? Like, what? Like, can you do the shit on a unicycle, nigga? Like, get the fuck out of here, bro.
Oh, shit. I remember we had my boy, his name was Baby Shaq because he was huge. And I remember like our gym teacher was legit like 6'9", tall white guy, like set the straight bot koozie set shot, but never missed it, all that shit. And I remember like he was always like blocking our shots and shit. And Baby Shaq just kept getting bigger and bigger. Shout out to Bruce. And I remember senior year, one day, Baby Shaq had to yam it on him.
Oh!
Like in a game.
Fam, there's nothing worse. Yo, fam, if you like, I honestly, like, I believe, shout out to my man Khalid, like, that he got left back because he dunked on
on
a
teacher?
dean in the student faculty game. Like, and my man was like 5'7". Be like, my man had bunnies, and he flushed it on Mr. Gilman. Like, like, yo, fam, I thought he killed the motherfucker because he fell down, and the homie's like 60-something years old already. So I'm like, yo, like, can we call a nurse? Like, there's no medical staff on deck. Like, that was another thing too. Like, there's no safety precautions. Like, there wasn't even Band-Aids.
Oh man.
Like, it's just motherfuckers playing basketball like against 10-year-olds. Like, this shit was not sanctioned by anybody.
Speaking of white guys who play basketball, did you see who one of Brett Kavanaugh's good homies was from college?
Please don't tell me it was Ron Baker.
No, close.
Ron Baker's dad?
One Chris Dudley.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that's right. Yo!
Chris Dudley out here getting in beer fights and throwing glasses in people's faces.
Wow.
You could foreshadowing what Shaq was going to do to him.
Is Chris...
Oh God.
Is Chris Dudley on the wrong or right side of history now? Because all I know
He's
is
always on the wrong side of history now.
Okay, good. All right.
He was running as a Republican candidate for Oregon.
Yeah.
He spent more money. He raised more money than his opponent, but he didn't live in Oregon. So everyone was like, "Well, get out of here, carpetbagger." Carpetbagger is a real term. Look it up, people.
Yeah.
And
Go to school.
yeah, no one had anything nice to say about him.
Wow.
But he was always like the dickhead Republican. He always had like hot kind of.
Where is he from?
Takes. You know what? Because I'm from New York. I was just like, he must be from upstate.
Yeah. Like, this nigga's from Westchester. He lives on a street called like Little John Road.
But he does a lot of stuff for like people with diabetes and shit. I don't know if he does. I mean, I might be confusing him doing stuff for people with diabetes with the fact he has diabetes. Big difference. One is like you're raising awareness. The other one is you just waking up. It's like, what'd you do for diabetes today? It was like, nigga, I got up.
I drank some orange juice.
Shit.
Nigga, what the fuck you mean?
What's wrong with you, nigga? Let me check my glucose.
Nigga's like, with the little pricky thing.
I don't think you don't got to prick your finger no more.
Yeah, no,
they got new
no.
ones. Come on, keep up.
Yeah, I know.
Diabetes is always creeping around the corner. Like
I seen a commercial for that shit, and I took a picture of it on the TV, and I sent it to my dad via WhatsApp, and he was like, "I'm not pussy."
Wow.
He's like, "I'm still stabbing myself. I don't give a fuck." These niggas using a machete to do the shit. Like, I'm like, dang, you don't gotta cut off your whole finger to test your glucose.
you gotta use the Caribbean way to see if you have diabetes and taste your own urine. And if it tastes a little sweet, you gotta go to the doctor. Everyone knows that. We don't talk about that out loud, but that's how we check.
That's how we do it.
If you got the sugar in the blood.
Ain't no meters.
He's from Stamford, Connecticut.
Oh, of course.
Yeah,
of course.
Played high school basketball at Torrey Pines High School in San Diego, California.
What?
He was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, age 16. Oh, that's kind of sad.
Damn.
But he was dumb tall,
16.
too. He's mad tall, so that's
How the fuck how are you mad big and brolic and have... Does diabetes, like, really affect your...
No, there's different types of diabetes and it's manageable and shit like that. You know what I'm saying?
Type 1 is, like, the more serious one. Because my dad has type 2, and he just has to take pills. Like, he's not shooting insulin or anything like that. But like, I mean, if you got type 1,
I don't know. There's now we're gonna get like mad fucking people in the mentions discussing like the regimen for diabetes. Get
ready.
Here it comes.
Monday mentions.
Here's how I do it.
He's like, actually, I have a pack attached to my body that hourly releases shots of insulin. I'm like, yo, listen, fam. I'm over here trying to actively give myself diabetes.
Wow.
Give me some pointers.
The problematic life is never.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like say he's actively trying to get diabetes. Diabetes. You don't want to get diabetes. You want to get gout.
Yeah, true.
That's gout. You want to be rushed into Jacoby or some ER on a gurney with your big toe swollen. Like, I was ODing in Seafood City. What?
It's turf toe.
They said the crab legs was unlimited. What do you want? Nah, gout is very painful.
Is that an old wives' tale? Can you really like get
gout from too
much seafood?
Yeah.
Like how much seafood do you gotta eat?
Too much.
Like
when you eat too much.
much.
You know what? If you are not a fisherman, you know when you eat too much seafood. Okay? If you are eating crab legs or something 3 times a week and you live nowhere near the coast,
the oceans,
my friend, you eat too much seafood.
Like you don't even live near a bay, nigga.
Okay.
You eat salmon every day, like crabs and lobsters.
Imagine you come home from work right now and just like dump a fucking bushel of clams for your wife to shuck. And so, like I say, like you know what? If you get clams by the bushel, Just come with a whole fucking swordfish over your arms.
Yo, if I came through with a fucking bag full of muscles, like a rabbi would fall through the ceiling. And
Whoa, what's going on here? What's going on here?
Hey,
shellfish?
hey, what is this?
So, you can't eat shellfish. Yeah.
Yeah, no shellfish. No
shellfish.
shellfish, no pork.
No shrimp.
Yeah. Damn. That's
Somebody
hard.
was like, shrimp are the roaches of the sea. I was like,
Yeah. So
there's some delicious little roaches there.
So ipso facto, roaches are delicious. Like,
What if has anyone ever ate a roach on purpose?
I think so. Yeah. Nah,
Not those like clean Madagascar one. I mean the project,
like
straight Project Bronx
the
roaches.
shit that's like drunk and it's like half
Yeah,
crawled up the wall and they can't
yeah.
really make it because the paint is too smooth. Yeah.
Like you'll kill it, like you'll stomp on it, and when you lift your foot, it just look at you like "fuck you, nigga," and scare you off.
Fuck out of here.
Out of here.
You can't even chew them shits.
Fucking roaches in a Nike tech suit.
Yeah. Just made of vibranium. Like,
Yo.
nigga, you can't chew me, nigga.
They got the wild fucking Newport in his mouth. Like this nigga really try to heat me, twin.
Hey, yo, fuck out of here,
This nigga
man.
hang him out of the incinerator, other roaches and shit.
Nigga pull his wing up, pull the burnout.
Like yo, do that shit again.
Go ahead.
Do that
ahead.
shit again, pussy.
Yeah. Just because I got wings so I can't fly,
up?
but I still got the nigga, I let the hammer fly.
up?
What's up?
Yo, this nigga put a roach motel on the corner like I'm full for that shit. Like I'm full for that
Come
shit
on, man.
again.
That's old shit.
Yo,
nigga.
rest in peace, my cousin Tito. He died.
You know what I'm saying? Word up, word up.
Shit. I'm saying we got to ride for that nigga.
Oh, what is that? Is that combat?
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, niggas explode.
Damn, that shit mad good.
Combat. So I told you nasty people that got to leave your house because you got to set off the bug spray today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Then you got the fogger. Nigga, you can't come in your crib for like 24 hours.
What you got to do the defogger? You just be outside your house thinking like, damn, how'd it go wrong? What life choices do I have to do going forward to make sure I never have to do this again? And the instructions of the defogger is like, yo, like put food away, I guess. Like you don't really got no possessions you want now. This shit's got roach feces on it, but like take your baby out or some shit. Go to fucking Chuck E. Cheese.
The worst shit ever is being like, all right, I'm gonna do this defogger shit on Friday when I wake up, and I'm gonna go do whatever. Like I'm gonna go to the fucking sneaker store. I'm gonna go cop some books, whatever the fuck. And your plans fall through. Mm-hmm. So now you just got the fogger in the crib, and you just got nowhere to go, nowhere to be.
Sitting in the car,
like, damn, like
you don't realize it's not easy to just kill time.
Nah, what you got nothing to do
without spending money. So what you gonna do? You gotta go to the rest stop on the interstate. That's what you. Ain't no bookstores. You just gonna walk around New York, think about your life. Can't go to Virgin Megastore on 14th Street, listen to albums no more. Nope. Could go to Starbucks, you'd be bored.
Oh shit, maybe there should be a. Is nostalgia profitable enough to open up a brick and mortar store like Virgin Megastore where they have
Albums
physical copies of albums that people could listen to?
You mean a
sample.
record store?
Yeah.
You're asking me if it makes sense to open a record store in 2018. You can't make one on the level of Virgin Megastore. That because you'll never.
That's not sustainable.
You're not going to sell enough records to pay the rent there.
No,
that rent's got to be ridiculous. I don't know. Do people want? Because think about it. If you buy a record, how are you going to listen to it? You have iTunes on your You have Apple Music and shit. Like how do you even? You got to rip it and then stream it.
Yeah.
That's cool to look at, but you got to have like a turntable.
And a mic, two turntables and a mic.
Well, I mean, that's if you're making hip hop, real hip hop.
And real hip hop,
Okay.
and one fat MC on the set too.
I mean, that's if you make a real hip hop, not
Yeah.
this fake, watered down bullshit. These
You
white
know what I'm saying?
devils. God damn it! I told you about.
Stop!
If I hear you talk about them pyramids of hip hop again, pillars.
Let me tell you something, man. Y'all denigrating an art form that was created by us.
Jamal, the fries.
I don't give a fuck about no fries. You know what I care about? The culture of hip hop.
Hip hop, real hip hop.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna call my man right now. 1-800-223-9797. Hey, what's up, man? This is Ebro in the morning. Hey, listen. We need to protect the culture. The culture needs to be protected at all costs.
Did you see Tekashi diss Ebro in his new song?
Oh, he did?
So Ebro's gonna respond with a freestyle or something like that.
Oh, wow. Tekashi dissed Ebro?
Yeah.
What'd he say? Niggas think I'm stupid. Nigga, you stupid.
He was just like, you're old or something. I don't know.
You old and stupid. You stupid.
I was like, I low-key forgot Tekashi was a thing.
Yeah.
It's just not on my radar.
Yeah.
So
And
like
the-
every now and then a car will drive by, blasting it. I'm like, oh, that's still there.
You know what's so ill? Like for a second, I completely forgot about Tekashi, just like you did.
Mm-hmm.
And the thing that brought me back to that was just like I was just like scrolling through Instagram, and Ari Melber had 50 Cent on,
Yeah.
and they were talking about Tekashi on his like Instagram story, and I was like, oh shit, oh yeah, that's right, yeah, 50 and Tekashi had beef. Like that shit was like, like I totally forgot about that shit.
Oh, they're like best friends now.
Yeah,
Yeah, he calls
I'm
him
like,
his son or something.
yeah,
like
he's
that.
like, oh, it's like that's my junior, man.
I mean-
hey nigga, hey, look, man, it's the thing that it's like, man, he's like my son, he's like my junior. You know what I'm saying? He's doing a lot of 50 Cent maneuvers. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
He's moving like that.
He's moving like me. You know what I'm saying? So I respect it. You know what I'm saying? And like, you know, they're not as lyrical as we was forced to be. I was like, oh yeah, 50, you were lyrical?
Oh wow. Damn, I was smacked when I wrote that note. It says the Uber app on your phone should turn to a countdown timer that tells you how close your car is.
Really?
Yeah, I wrote that drunkenly after the Yankee game. when I was
Oh
home.
yeah. Oh yeah, no. My notes is just full of like, you are parked at misspelled street and misspelled street.
I was like, this would be a great idea. I mean, just like walking drunk and texting and walking across the street and shit. Just like, nah, this is a great idea. I gotta keep this going. I gotta write it down before I lose it. Just repeat it to myself like 9 times. It's an icon Uber thing. They need like an urgent button on Uber. Like if you need the driver to really like, you know.
Hurry the fuck up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They need like one like, and then they need one like, you'd be like, yo, I got the loud pack. Like let your driver know you're coming with the pack.
Yeah, because they got the little text where you send them a text message.
Yeah, I use that all the time. I'd be like, be right there. They'd be like, okay.
Okay. Dot. Homie almost pulled over this morning. Oh, and I came to the door and I was like, 1 second. Just gotta go grab my wallet. Need my ID because cops will shoot you in New York if you don't have identification. So let me go get that. I'll be right back. And homie almost pulled off. I was like, dog, that literally took me 3 seconds to go.
Nah, when they pull up, they like, yo, you got. A lift is the worst because they're like, you got
They start
5
that
minutes. And they
countdown.
got their countdown. And then at the end, they're like, you would buy extra time. Like, nigga, what?
Buy extra
This ain't
time.
a collect call to my cousin in jail. Like,
Lyft got in-app purchases?
is
Get
this?
the fuck out of here, B. Nah. I had a dude drive me in and he was just like, he was irate, bro. Cause like, obviously Uber can't see where you're going until
You get
they
in.
get there.
Yeah.
Until you get in, whatever. And he realized I was going to New York and he was fucking tight. And he was just like, yo, Uber's thieves, yo. Like, he's like, I'm going to make $10 on this ride and I'm going to be in traffic for 2 hours. And I can't pick nobody up to bring them back into Jersey because of TLC in New York. And fuck all these motherfuckers. I was like, bro, just drive,
Damn.
please.
Damn.
Like, you sound wild frustrated, dog. I don't want you to drive this shit off a fucking, like, into a divider and, like, kill me. So just keep your eyes on the motherfucking road and let me listen to Playboy Cardi Dilate. Please.
You actually don't need to be in Uber no more, my buddy. You know why? Because you could see us worldwide in a Nike ad. That's right, the
That's
brand.
right. It's strong.
That's right.
Stupid.
We out here Nike ad looking like two majestic
You know what I'm saying?
hood angels
You know
that
what I'm
were
saying?
shot down before our prime.
You know what I mean?
Just like,
Just
damn.
wild, oily, and sexy.
You know what I'm
and fucking,
saying?
Like, you know what I
People's
mean?
like, is that Photoshop? That's all. Listen,
Yeah,
that
nah.
even special effects. That's just how me and Mero. That's how moisturized we are now. We're
You know
no
what I'm
longer
saying?
ashy.
That's it. We
know
on,
what I'm saying?
we on
I
that.
got drip cocoa butter.
Nah, we on that judge.
Yeah.
We use a straight Vaseline.
Yo, fam, listen, I'm out here.
Got baby oil on my elbows right now.
I got baby oil in my ass
Slipping
cracks,
all over.
Okay? Go from crack rocks in my butt crack to baby oil. Nah, that shit is it. We got representing for the New York Knicks. Go
That's
New
right.
York, go New York, go.
New York,
And
go.
representing wearing the iconic Uptowns.
Uptown Air Force One.
How wild is that? Our life went from being so popped, we can afford this Uptowns, to now we selling y'all niggas.
We're selling y'all niggas Uptown, speed.
Listen, that's aspirational and inspirational.
Yo,
We don't even need a church. Just look at us and you too can do it.
that's right.
You two can live like who?
But nigga, for fuck, nigga put war quarter niggas in what the fuck?
Exactly what he
Yeah,
said.
right.
What he
50 Cent
kinda-
nigga.
kind of said. So that's right. Knicks is back. Air Force Ones is valid again. We're saying it.
Yeah.
You know what it is.
And they got like 3D, like the 3D swoosh.
Yeah, this
You know
shit's
what I'm saying?
classy. They're like, listen, if you want to take your girl to a nice classy dinner at
right.
Red Lobster in Times Square, you put these on
those
right
on.
after the Knick game.
Woo!
Woo!
You killing it.
Woo! You know she gonna give you some, even though y'all live together. She was gonna give you some anyway.
Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, it was Saturday night. She's off from work. You off from work.
Saturday night. What song is that? God damn.
I don't know. I don't know what that little fucking Carlton dance she was just doing. Don't you ever do that shit again, bro. What's wrong with you?
What the fuck?
wrong with you,
God damn it,
man?
that's just gonna be stuck in my head. Oh yeah, Yakub, so help me.
Saturday night. Saturday. That don't even sound like a new song. That sounds like
Some old shit.
nostalgia.
Yeah, that was like some 80s shit. God damn. What the fuck? Shout out to WBLS.
Wow, WLS. I don't even have. You know what? I don't have access to a radio. Can't tell you the last time. Oh, Uber.
Uber, yeah.
But they're always like, "What do you want to listen to?" And I usually like 10 win so I can hear the world burn.
Yeah.
Tell me all the news. Yes, right to my main vein.
I got into a Uber with a gentleman with a red ponytail, and I put on my headphones, and he immediately proceeded to turn his music even louder so that I could not hear even my headphones. That was very rude. That's all I got to say about that. That was extremely rude, and I don't appreciate it. I'm not going to blow you up because I want to fuck up your job. You know what I'm saying? I know this might be how you feed your kids, but that was very rude of you.
Thank you, Mero,
Yes.
for that moment here on Bergen County's Tea Report.
That's right.
That's our new segment called What Really Grinds Mero's Gears. I think last week you were beefing about the sanitation. This week you're beefing about the Uber driver. Next week, Mero will talk about how he hates fall foliage and that brings additional cars to his neighborhood. I love how your stuff going from like mad hood complaints. Yeah, you just like, yo, fam. Like, on God.
These fucking gutters, yo.
Yo, if they don't do something about the soft water in Bergen County, I swear to God, I will take showers and the shit is not lathering up. And this really grinds my gears. I just imagine you at the community board meeting with like the big chain and the sunglasses and shit.
Like, yo, listen, this island street parking shit got to stop. I got 4 Lamborghinis. My driveway is not long. Unless you want me to build my driveway into the street, you're going to have to let me park my car on the sidewalk. I'm sorry.
Sir, you have to, there's a line to get onto the microphone.
No, I don't give a fuck.
You seem to have brought your
No,
own.
yeah, I bought my,
live?
yes, this is my own live. I stole it from the set. And because I need to make, my voice needs to be heard.
Oh,
okay?
okay.
I have an Aventador. Okay, I have a 428, and they do not all fit in my garage. I have a 2-car garage. I have 4 cars. I need space to accommodate them, and I'm not being given that. And due to the fact that I pay a very high amount of taxes here,
Okay,
I'm offended by this.
Okay, sir.
I'm offended by this.
Sir, we were.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Jamal, talk to him.
Jamal and his father, get out of the community board meeting.
I don't even live here, but he's right. You white devils.
They're not even from Jersey. They're not even from Jersey. All right, back to the original proposal. Do we keep all the blacks in Patterson? Shout out to P-Town. Shout out to Patterson.
Shout out to P-Town.
More like Gatterson, you know what I'm saying? Catch a hot one.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, that's not. We're not encouraging them. We're just saying it happens.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're just reporting from the street. Like,
That's all we do.
Like,
Listen, this podcast is just a CNN.
That's it. Like Cam said on Bill O'Reilly, we just reporting from the streets.
That's right. And if you want to see us report live, you go to Madison Square Garden
on 11/11.
11/11.
Make a fucking wish. You made a wish, and your wish came true.
Guess
We're coming through.
I had a very problematic messaging. We had to have a meeting because I remember my original tagline was it 11/11, the day the comedy world would never forget. But I was like, that's a little.
Ooh, a little close.
A little too close. The original artwork was like us flying. You know what? No.
Us with our 2 faces on a plane. No! Our 2 heads on a tower and then shit just down.
No, and it's just us smiling like, yeah!
With 2 brolic ass arms coming out the top.
If this was the 80s, we could get away with that. It'd be like me and you in a cockpit with like a joint or whatever.
Yeah, what up?
Wow. Wacky antics on 11/11. No, 11/11. Tickets still available. Buy your tickets at Ticketmaster. Some of y'all talk about you went to rosestickets.com.
No.
Kill a nigga, get tickets for cheap.net. No, don't go there. Don't go there. If some guy on the street is like, yo, I got tickets for sale, go to the store all the way down the block.
Don't go to Craigslist.
All the way down the block. And you're like, I don't want to go. Bobby, I got dresses at home. I'm not going all the way down there. Don't do that.
Don't do it.
But yes, go on Ticketmaster. There's still plenty of tickets available. And people were probably like, the tickets are probably OD expensive. Surprise, they're actually not. There's different ranges. There's regular tickets for regular people. Can we not try to break the wallets? And for all you big ballers out there, big baller brands.
Big baller brand, that's right. If you want a VIP motherfucking experience, you gotta fuck with the big baller brand.
Right.
The big baller package includes a meet and greet, and when you shake your hands and touch and feel our energy, you know what I'm saying? Which we will transfer it over to you, and you will make it to the NBA. Never lost.
And don't forget, we got the Supreme VIP Dubai limited edition meet and greet where we will pee on you.
We will pee on
Gender
you.
fluid, could be male or female, whatever you're into.
You know what I'm saying? Gender.
We just pee on you. We're not signing nothing.
That's right.
That's it. All right. If you want to give us a T-shirt, that's cool. We'll help you wipe it off, but that's it.
That's it.
Or we could do like, for extra money, like you just lay at the bottom of Mero's bed and his feet just sweat on you.
Yeah. I just feel that drip. It's like
all night.
It's like torture.
Yeah, just
Nice. It's like drip. Yeah.
And then if you pay extra, you could watch me take 4 hours to eat a plate of hot wings. They're like, he's only taking 2 bites. I'm like, I take another bite and I'm about to bite and I'll just put it back.
Psych!
Psych! Not eating anything.
It's like a fucking baseball game. Nigga fall asleep, wake up. He's like, he's on his 3rd wing.
Jesus.
Oh my God. I thought at least be the bottom of the 4th
The
ring.
real kick me is at the end and the guy's like, you want this to go? I'm like, no. Just throw it away.
Throw it in the garbage.
I was like, what?
Can I have them? No.
Was there something wrong with the wings? Nah, I'm just a slow eater. They hate that. They're like, why don't you order a children's bit? I'm like, because I'm not a child. I'm just a slow eating adult. There's a difference.
I'm a luxury adult, motherfucker.
I like to let my food digest. Shout out to my grandmother, rest in peace, Aunt S, who used to, when my father would always be like, Don, you take too long to eat the food. She's like, he's taking his time to let it digest. She did not like him. And they used to go at it all the time. It was quite enjoyable. They were like Tom and Jerry.
You gotta digest though. That's true. You can't eat too fast. You gotta let your food digest. Chew properly. Don't swallow whole.
I read on Facebook that if you drink ice water, it will kill you. Because when it reaches your stomach, it will freeze all the juices and you won't be able to digest stuff. So.
That's right. That's why you got to drink room temperature water. My mom heard that somewhere. It must have been on Facebook as well.
She's sending it on WhatsApp.
And now it is a wrap. I cannot get a cold glass of water in my mom's house for shit.
Because cold glass of water is what? The devil.
The devil.
That's
you
the
know
devil.
what I'm saying? And it gives you cancer.
That's right. Also, if you want your baby to have a cleft foot, let it drink water before 3 months old. I don't make these things up.
Yep, it's a fact.
I heard this at the patty shop.
That's it.
Okay.
I heard it at the salon and shit. When I went to go pick up my sister from a fucking washing set.
Oh shit. People like, yo, put a Scotch bonnet under your baby's pillow, or else it's gonna be left-handed. What's the correlate?
What? I don't understand. You want me to give my kid a frozen Eggo waffle to teeth on, but he's gonna eat that.
Nah, frozen Eggo waffles is good for teething.
And it's not.
Excellent. You never use it for teeth?
I did once, but then my kid like almost ate half of it, and I was like, I feel weird about giving my kid.
Yeah, you're not giving them they're not frozen enough.
They're straight out the freezer.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be able to like chew them if they're like frozen.
Oh no, I'm talking about Amari. Like,
what kind of fucking super baby you raising over there?
Yeah, no, Amari's different.
This baby just biting into frozen waffles. Like, oh shit! They're gonna snap back his hand real quick. Like, oh shit!
What the fuck? Is that a brick, nigga? Are you getting a paving stone?
Like, where's the nigga counting the forks of silver? This nigga ate the fork again.
I ate the fork, Daddy.
What do you mean you ate the fork?
I ate it. It was good.
Fuck.
I need more iron.
You gotta buy more forks.
Then I go outside, nigga just punches the door open off the hinges. I'm like, oh fuck, I'm fucked. When I gotta fight that motherfucker, I'm in trouble.
Well, you know it's coming. You got 3 fights coming. You know, no, 4. No, 3, because I think the 4th one is gonna be between her and your wife.
Yeah, and she's gonna be like, Daddy, Mom's a fucking bitch, and I'm like, I mean, like, I can neither confirm nor deny.
Woof. Woof, woof, woof. Yikes. Just kids fighting in the street. Like,
you know what I'm saying? It's always daddy's girl shit. That's the cliche.
Like daddy girl shit?
Yeah. She won't let nobody else put it down to bed. She won't let nobody else like do certain things. Like if she's wilding, like I'll pick her up, she'll shut up immediately. You know, hopefully it continues into the future so I can like exploit her cuteness and like have her be a Gap model or some shit. I don't know.
Yeah.
You know
or you can start using her to get the bundles across. 'Cause-
True.
Listen, if they don't look underneath your cart in Target, imagine what they don't look underneath if you have a carriage.
That's right.
Saying, you know,
Damn, but what if I
Fam.
put bundles in the diaper and like she doodles on
fam,
them?
don't worry about that. We wrap over. That's the
Oh, but they
dogs
niggas
off.
shit out. They shit. Yeah, they shit bundles out anyway. Oh yeah.
That's all right, man.
Yeah, we trafficking with babies, baby.
Well, how mad would Victor be if he saw us on the news? We got arrested for like smoking the drugs with a baby, and not even a lot of drugs, just like one brick, just to see if we could.
He's like, nigga, just look at the newspaper. He's like, this better not be the right Joel fucking Martinez. I swear to God.
I mean, didn't Columbia sell the most coke ever this year? The price is at an all-time low.
I mean, yeah.
Why would we take this risk now?
You know the thing is, we'd be very blatant about it. We'd be on Twitter like, "Yo, got that for cheap.
For cheap,
Yo, meet me by gate 40 at the stadium. Cash, square cash only."
I'm on Instagram Live putting like the filter on the Coke brick and shit.
Yo.
She got sunglasses on.
She's talking like an emoji, like,
Yo,
"Ah,
it's just
weird."
it's just me and Cokie. Bodega Boys blow on Decky.
Oh man, we make the stir fry video with the Coke, like the whipping with the kick with the Coke.
Like a stir fry. Ha.
Niggas pull up in the fucking Bodega Boys ice cream truck, like, yo, who's here for the Coke? Please line up.
Yo, you got
Please line up.
We got red tops, we got blue tops.
You know how like you make the t-shirts in the ice cream truck, which is like bagging up in there, and, like giving it to people. People like
It's two naked shorties in there bagging
bag it
up.
up. They're like, what's this for? I'm like, because if you buy Coke, you get a ticket for a free drink at Locksmith. It's right
Yeah,
there.
come on,
Right
B.
there.
Right there.
Follow the shorty with the yeek. She'll take
Come
you
on,
inside.
she'll take you
know what
right
I'm saying?
inside.
Don't worry, they'll watch the Coke for you. Niggas coming from the back of the line, like, you sure you got enough Coke for? We got enough Coke for everybody.
Don't worry.
Listen, we got federal weight inside this truck. We got enough. Don't worry. Everyone will get some Coke. Even you clear officers undercover over there. They're like, yeah, the strongest brand. I love the my favorite one is the Kid Chipotle.
Yeah.
Mom of the year. Let me get a little the Coke.
You got a little Pedico?
Who's my favorite Bodega Boys? Victor.
Yeah,
So
he's-
what's the Coke?
I love Julia Young. She's my favorite Bodega Boy.
Yeah, I love her. I love
she's the
her.
best. She's great laugh. You got any?
Come on! I was at the live show in Colorado.
Remember me?
Remember, I proposed to my guy because I am a queer and I have a husband, as does a lot of your fan base.
Yeah, you know.
I'm down with the LGB MLB. Please don't show this game without express written content.
Consent. Yeah, that's me. That's what I do.
So what's up with that? What's up with that brick, Callie?
I am a there. You know. So what's up with that little pooty?
I'm sorry, we're not giving out any more Coke.
Sorry.
People coming back. I ordered a large. This is a medium Coke. Like, sorry.
Oh shit, my bad.
Sorry, you gotta put some more on top. People complain online like, this Coke wasn't even high quality.
I got my Coke with a hole in it.
Just on Twitter like, yo, please send the Coke. Can you send a picture, please?
My Coke has Ajax.
We don't control that. Just in the back of the bus is like there's mad bottles of Ajax. Like, cut that shit. Nigga.
Cut the shit. Hurry the fuck up.
I'm saying the Nike check cleared, but you could always have a little extra money, you feel?
God damn.
Listen, I mean,
Scumbag ways.
You never leave the scumbag ways. Because listen, Nike checks is for now. Drug checks is forever.
Forever.
They're like, no, please don't ever repeat that out loud.
My uncle just hit me on WhatsApp like, yo, chill.
He's like, yo, you're making it hot. You're making it hot. I'm so blatant right now. I'm just like, listen, I would just walk through like, yeah, that's my shit.
Yeah.
They just put a brick inside the carry-on, put the shit in the machine for the TSA. It's my Yeezys appear like a brick.
Here's a brick.
My passport. I'm like,
my passport. I'm good.
Like, take the bricks, put down my pants, put my Yeezys on and shit.
You just put a strap on the brick and like use it as a fucking carry.
I just wear it. I was like wearing it as a book bag. Get the bed pillow, my Beats by Dre.
They can just sleep on a brick of Coke.
I put my brick of Coke in the carry-on shit and I close it and like the Coke goes everywhere over the cabin. It's all over first class and shit.
Everybody in first class is like, hey man, what's up?
They're like, sir, do you want me to check your brick for you? I'm like, oh please. They put it in a garment bag. He's like, you're just wrinkling the Coke.
Sir, you have to gate check that brick.
I'm not gate checking this brick. I tried to buy a seat for my brick, but Steve Stout bought all the seats already.
I'm like, yo, Steve, you got boof this brick, nigga. This is the second time you did this shit.
Yeah, leave us out here like that, man. Oh, traveling with a brick. Traveling with a brick.
Yeah,
that's what we do.
You know what else is a brick? A square. So shout out to Square Cash, the sponsor.
Boo! Boo!
I mean, the square is icy white.
Boo! Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow, those clearly someone from wrote that. I don't know what the fuck that was. Everyone at Square Cash was looking around and just like, I think they're doing satire.
I didn't write that copy. I swear to God.
Just walking around the table with the bat, like, oh,
Yeah.
okay.
But yeah.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
That's right. But yo, listen to me, man. Like, guess where? Get Cash App, bro. Like, them other shits is a dub, bro. They take your money. Like, this shit is corny. Like, use Cash App.
Yeah, use Cash App.
They take less of your money.
Just get yourself a 4 or 5 and rob niggas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a real Cash App.
That's a real Cash App. There,
You know what I'm saying? The Cash
don't worry.
Jack.
Nobody gonna see your transactions on that right there. You know what
Nah,
I'm
hell
saying?
no. Ain't no paper trail there.
Okay.
Just a trail of shells, nigga.
Okay. My new gun app. Just look. What was my last transaction? Oh yeah, I got a nigga at King's Theater. Yeah.
Juxer, nigga. Turn on Juxer. It's like, oh, you have a victim within 500 feet of you.
Like, oh shit, you're gonna know. Oh shit, it says I'm about to be robbed. Okay, wow. Okay, it just tells you in the morning. It's like you get robbed today, nigga. I'm like, why would I leave the house? It's like you get another notification. Like, doesn't even matter. I'm like, I don't want to get jukes today.
I don't know.
They're like delay jukes for $5 extra. Press the niggas do microtransactions.
Yo.
What if you got? And it's just like, yo, one of your friends and family could possibly be jukes. That's $10 to find out who. You're like, oh shit.
Damn,
Do I really want to know? I'm kind of curious.
Damn, it's kind of like a gender reveal, but like I don't want to kind of
ruin the surprise.
Like I want to just see if it's like my brother crying or
Yeah, you don't know. It could be like a
uncle.
cousin in DR. It could be your wife.
You know what I'm saying?
don't
You
know.
never know.
You pay for it, you find out it's just like your third cousin was removed. It's like,
like,
it's like he's gonna pay too much for fish at the market. Like that's not the type of jokes.
That's not what I'm talking about, bro. I'm talking about gunpoint shit, bro, or finger point. Like if they're buns.
It's like, oh shit. They're like, the Yankees have just won. There are dead ass, mad drunk white people outside Yankee Stadium. Jukester is surging. Like, oh shit. Like, okay.
All right.
They can stop being an Uber driver. You just be like a jukester driver. They can chill on the block. Like, yo, I gotta do a pickup. You can't take an Uber to drive jiggers and shit. I'm your Uber driver, and I'm also your jukes nigga. Get up, give it up.
Uber driver rob you at the end of the fucking shit.
Yeah, so apparently we've come to, this is your destination here. I just want to ask you to make sure you give me 5 stars. And all your goods, give it up. Take it off. Let's go. Jukster's like, you got 5 minutes to give up all your goods. Oh, shit. They got a gun to your head like, yo, leave me 5 stars, nigga.
Tip me 5%.
It's been a pleasure to rob you. Been a great victim. Very passive. His girl was there, but he was still wild blunts and did not attempt to be a hero. I'll see according to your Jukester profile, you've been robbed 5 times already. Oh, wow. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Oh, hey.
Please give you a Jukester pass.
Your Jukester has committed 5,000 5-star Juxes.
Well, so I like robbing niggas. I just love robbing niggas. Shit. Before I robbed you, would you charge your phone and like some gum?
Would you like to share your jokes? I just like text it to Victor, like, yo, Victor, I'm getting jokes.
It's a jokes pool. Like, just meet all your friends on one corner. He's like, are we all on the same corner? Oh, yeah, get on the ground. Get the fuck on the ground.
Take your fucking nigga rabbit is.
Nigga, why would you invite us to get robbed? I get 20% if I invite 4 people for my first jokes.
Come on, man. Like, I gotta find out the
Stop
credit.
talking to each other. They got your foot on your head and shit.
Don't look at my fucking face.
Oh shit. Was there a problem with the Jukester? Hi, Jukester customer service. Is there a problem with the yeah, I gave him all the money and he pistol whipped me for no reason.
For no reason?
Oh, if you check your settings, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you have to turn off pistol whipping manually. I'm sorry. That's the default setting.
It's
I
just
apologize.
how things happen.
Yeah, sorry.
Jukester is the fastest downloaded and deleted app in the marketplace. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Jukester coming to a corner near you.
Yeah, that's right.
when Jukester doesn't work, and it's just like mad like tech bros trying to jump niggas in Brownsville. Like, hey, hi, yeah, I'm from Jukester. I'm looking for Jamal.
Yeah.
Jamal, are you Jamal?
Yeah, you white devil. What the fuck you want?
Okay.
You want to get fucked up, nigga? You lost, motherfucker? This is
no.
Brownsville, nigga, home of the fucking brave.
I'm from Jukester. My Jukester code 749A7.
Well, guess what, nigga? My code is 9mm. Get on the fucking ground before my shit go bang.
Nigga ride off on a city bike. Oh shit! Niggas getting mad trouble getting it out the dock. Trying to rock it back and forth. You gotta push it forward and then take it out. You're doing it wrong. You're just making me mad at you, white devil.
Motherfucker.
Like, no, it's stuck. It happens. It happens. The one I use by Pearl Street. This happens a lot. Just gotta put it in my...
It's
You know what? I'll walk. I'll just walk.
it's okay. It's fine. It's fine.
Just walking next to the fucking J train. Like,
It's fine. It's okay.
I'll get help at Broadway Junction. Said no one ever
in the history of the world.
fall down them long ass stairs to your death.
You got a Joe Budden down them steps.
Oh man. Oh wow. I think that's about it. What is anything else to talk about?
Oh, LeBron's
Yankees going well.
People talking about KD going to the Knicks. Get the fuck out of here.
It might happen. It might happen.
Stop.
Remember what I said? If KD comes to the Knicks and the Knicks win a championship, KD's legacy will be better than LeBron's.
I agree.
Yeah, think about it. Think about it. KD would probably get a statue in front of Madison Square Garden. KD would never, ever have to answer for going to the Warriors.
Yeah, that's true.
Because he came and did it impossible.
Yeah.
Restored greatness to the Knicks.
That's true. That's
Think
true.
about it. We'd all have KD jerseys and shit. He'd be
forget
mayor
it.
of the city.
Oh man, we'd be brushing his hair for him.
Imagine he walks into like a bar, we buy him like one beer that he barely drinks.
Niggas hitting us up from his burner account like, y'all fuck with y'all.
Yo, KD, come to New York. We're in your entourage. We hold you down. We got all the swag. We got all the swag you need.
That's it. Oh man, it's so good.
So good. We doing the AKs again?
Yeah.
You want to do it one more time?
Let's do it.
What should we do? We got to mix it up for people.
Hit him.
No, we don't got to mix it up.
Hit him with the rhythm.
But why I got to be a rhythm? Why you got to be racist? Why can't it just be a beat? Why do I have to do something tropical for the enjoyment of the Caucasian gays? If you use Caucasian gays in a paper, you automatically get an A. The teacher's like, I don't want no smoke.
I want no smoke.
I don't want no. You know what? A plus.
Hey, you know what?
A plus.
I just saw that.
I don't feel comfortable writing a paper about the Harlem Renaissance so you can enjoy it from the viewpoint of your Caucasian ass glaze. Sincerely, Jamal's sister.
Caucasian gays. Like every white professor just like doing the find option in Word and just like find Caucasian gays.
Like,
A plus.
A plus. Gotta go.
Gotta go. Bye.
Oh man. Well, but it's been nice being here with you guys. You know, rocking.
enjoy it.
Me and Mero were like changing our clothes and putting them back on. You know how Mr. Rogers used to switch to new outfits?
Then we're going to the land of make believe.
So right now, me and Mero, we're putting on our Nike tech suits
You know
and
what
our
I'm saying?
foam posits.
That's right.
And we're gonna get on it's like a little BMX bike with pegs. And we get on it to the land of make believe. And the land of make believe just takes place inside a dope fiend's head.
It's being don't say the dope fiend.
Day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day.
Oh, yo, if you walk through this bundle, you could beat me for 15 minutes.
Hi, boys and girls. But yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio.
That's right.
Aka Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go.
Yeah.
That shit is like, kids say, hooray. Yeah, Chris Dash was slinging dick. Eli Lipbeat, Butcher's Billy Sully. Celebrity that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take. Teacher H. Fuego. That means fire. Mr. Ronaldo's Ronaldo. Mikhail Novinov. Mikhail 1994. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC Luka Gungapia.
Yes.
This is soup. Put up for 40, which is shorty.
Ooh.
I don't even shoot like that. But you know what? I'm gonna do it this time.
I'm gonna do it.
AK don't talk me in the Uber pool. You know why?
I don't fucking know you.
I don't. And you know what? I mean,
know me,
I don't want to be that
me.
guy. Like May said, I don't understand the language of people with small money.
Yeah, yeah.
So, unless you're talking yacht shit, I don't know what to talk to
Get
you
out
about
of here,
the
B.
Uber.
Unless your last name is Belfort, you can keep it moving.
To be fair, all you do in the back of the Uber is read Twitter. But, it's just fun.
Fine.
I mean, what else are you supposed to do? Reading Twitter in the back of the Uber is the new version of how old women read the Bible on the train.
That's the fact.
I put that out there. That's a
is a
Desus
fact.
Nice original.
That's a fact.
Boom. That's all I got. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss on Desus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Bob, the Gospel Mufasa. Young Child Coonery, Dr. Coonery. A.K. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo-K. 2 Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jake Chuckle Stanley, comes from Human Dr. Brown. I heard a rumor if you stay after the credits, there might be some bonus content.
Oh.
A little content foreskin, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah. Don't tell me when I fast forward to the AKs. They'll never find out. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p, is like my peanut butter. And one day we might bring Bodega Bucks back, but we're only going to do it in the AKs. And if you fast forward to the AKs, you're not going to hear that.
You're not going to hear it.
Tight and broke.
When your friend gets a brand new Camry and you don't.
Okay, Bodega Bucks was just like $10. I'm not being cameras. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Washed FM, where we have some of the classics that you're like, holy shit, Jesus, where'd you get that at?
Where'd you?
Right now,
Damn, son.
I got for you Baby DC featuring Imagine.
Oh my God.
A little track called Bounce, Rock, Skate, Roll.
Wow. Imagine with a J. Yeah.
Baby DC.
Yeah.
Tragically, he died from a stray bullet.
He did?
So,
Oh, wow.
rest
That
in peace,
sucks.
Baby T. Actually, I don't know. I do not know. No one has mentioned that kid until I just did that. I think that video had like 40 views on YouTube. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hosper, the Bronx, Celine Dion. Ray Nephew's nephew. Yo, Celine Dion just ended her Vegas residency.
Uh-oh. Doors open. Doors open, man. Doors
Bodega
open,
Boys
man.
Vegas residency.
Yeah, let's
Victor,
get
make it
it.
happen.
Let's
How many shows
go.
a night? Was that show every night for like just 6 months? But you make money on that.
Bruh.
You make money. You make
I'll
fucking-
share and this is not a joke. I will discuss how Carrot Top's career changed once he got a Vegas residency. None of you even know that. Yeah, Carrot Top has Vegas residency.
Yeah, he got brolic.
Whoa.
And it's not a fucking game.
It's not a game. No, he got a trunk full of skeletons and like weird props. Yeah. And your man is out there caking, bro. Yeah.
Wow.
And he
Whoa.
ain't even had to put a tiger's head in his mouth.
Celine Dion did 70 shows and got 500K a show.
God damn. God,
Nick.
That's a lot of poutine.
That's a lot of that's a lot of nana sauce. Oh, wow.
God.
Whoa.
Oh, you know how many Timbits you can buy with that?
Whoa, nigga. Whoa. Oh, my heart will go out. I can't wait.
Damn, nigga.
Wait till we do 70 shows. We do the same fucking boring joke every night. Like clockwork.
Like Jodeci, nigga, fainting on stage. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ray Nephew's nephew, the Miranda can't contain the human memory or the job. We have to, because we're not physically fit enough to do 70 shows, so we rely on bringing out special guests, but they're no longer special to like anyone. So we're like bringing out mad watch people. We're bringing out P.O. P.O.'s like 40. It's no longer fun. Just bringing out like.
He's like mad short with gray hair and like and shit, he's in a wheelchair and shit. He's like,
We're just bringing out people who are just like poppable. Our Bodega Boys was popping, but it's been like 40 years now. We're like bringing out Stephanie Santiago. Everyone's like, yo, I used to love her. Like she's still hot, but she's like old hot. Like,
like Vanessa Del Rio status.
Yeah, everyone's like, yeah, I still love her. I still love her. And she's like, I still got it. Like, yeah. We got like, we bring out like Mo Bamba. He's doing his one song. Everyone's like, love this shit.
He's got 4 kids.
Mad people were like, all right, mom and dad, go enjoy the Bodega Boys show. We're going to meet you back on the Bellagio lobby after. Is that cute? Like, they got married, listed to Bodega. They've been listed to Bodega Boys for 40 years. Aren't they goals?
They're adorable.
People are going to put a picture. It's going to be a picture of one of our fans. They're going to be like, we still go to Bodega Boys. They're going to put it on, like, Twitter 3.0.
With, like, the wash t-shirt. Like, it's just, like, dilapidated.
And everyone's going to be like, oh, my God, they're such goals. Yo. I hope when I get older, I still listening to Retro Laser Podcast.
Yo, it's lit.
Wow, that's crazy, man.
So, basically, we're aiming to be like fish.
We're trying to be fish. They're picking out Bodega Boys performing for 4 nights at Madison Square Garden.
Oh, man.
Mad people coming through with Cialis and doing it before the show. Like, where's my niggas with the big dicks? They were like, oh, shit. We out of here.
Mine is going to activate in 5 hours.
Oh, shit. I'm going to fuck you for once this year, Meg. Do you even remember what a job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Blood Coast, Nelson Mandela, Sir, you can't see me. Vitamin movement. The human wealth is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent. Ricky Tiki Squabby. I'm going to have to check Mr. Bex on Decadent to miss like Activia or something. Something about like for older men. Mr. Citrum on Decadent. Multi-grain. Oh, shit. Ricky Tiki Squabby, Grog, Professor. More say to chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not begging people like a cucumber. The juice suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Catch Nova. We made $10, forget the small change, give me big money. They should add Sacagawea dollars in that.
Yeah.
Sacagawea. It'd be a wild problematic video. It'd just be
Musty dance.
It'd be the Jamaican version of what they think Native Americans look like. You don't want that.
Oh boy.
You don't want that. 'Cause it's like over sexualized.
Okay.
It doesn't matter because they pound the road. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mississauga, catch me at square one, top left. Manchester.
Don't cheese me.
Chill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. South Paul, so all we do is count checks and jerk off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Interesting fact. Did you guys know the head of Interpol got kidnapped in China and has been missing for like 3 days?
Wow.
Yeah, nobody cares about that. Just wanted to throw that out there. And that just sounds fun when you're doing like little warrants on Carmen Sandiego and you're working with Interpol.
Yeah.
If the head of Interpol got snapped and they don't got to the like, I don't know what your faith I got y'all. Like,
Yeah, wow.
he probably like talking bad shit like, yo, when my guys get here.
Nigga, you don't got ADT?
He's like, nigga, you know who I am? Nigga, I am the head of Interpol. I got keys for all the locks in the building. How dare you? They probably even know. They was like, oh, let's grab this nigga up.
Yo.
Grab this nigga probably like a computer press.
Yo,
vessel
you
or some
sleep,
shit like
yeah,
that.
snatch him up.
It's like, what's it going through his ID? Like, oh shit.
Oh my
He's like, so wait. Oh, y'all not like Interpol, the music group?
Oh,
fuck.
damn. Stella!
It's David Yerman. These expensive DJ Red Bottoms, these Blaze shoes. Mokeem, no Andrew Coonan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Palmy Charger.
Sit on it. Wine on it.
I'm not talking about wireless. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and sayasa. I'm hanging in the bathroom until the conductor passes through while he's collecting the tickets.
Oh.
All my train heads know what I'm talking about. AKA Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket.
No.
Do you think Charlie had to pay taxes on after he got the chocolate factory from Willy Wonka? Or was it like a pass-through? Do you think there was
I think it was like an estate sale.
estate kind of sale?
Yeah.
Because that'd be really whack if he just passed on all that excess operating costs to because Charlie was like, yo, I'm getting a chocolate factory. And Willy Wonka was like, yo,
I'm completely. He's sitting there with the visor and the calculator. He's like, I'm totally overwhelmed with this budgeting and inventory. I don't even know what to do.
He's like, when you the beginning of the bars and bar rescue, he's like, I'm $200,000 in debt.
God, I gotta call Victor.
John Taffer walks in. I'm shutting this chocolate factory down. There's a girl. She turned into a blueberry. Turn this place down.
What's going on here? Yo.
Oompa Loompas, how many shifts have you worked? They're like, well, we live here.
You're orange in the face. That's unhealthy.
How is he a good factory leader? What's it like working for? Well, you know, we try to work, and he has kids come through, and they die, and it really throws off the balance.
Yeah,
of the
you know,
production schedules.
You know, Oompa Loompa Doopity Doo is actually code for like, please help us.
I looked into the demographics of this community. 49% of the people are single and make over $200K a year. Money's walking past the door. People are no longer interested in chocolates. What we're gonna do is Bavarian pretzels. That guy right here is my #1 pretzel maker in America, Samantha Rothstein. She's gonna show you how to make a delicious pretzel everyone's gonna enjoy. I make pretzels. That's my thing. It's like a slow motion thing or making the dough.
She's like making dough mad slow, like sprinkle.
This is my guy. This is my guy right here, CJ McCollum. He's the hip hop barista. Flipping the things behind the thing. What we're gonna do for you, man, is make a signature drink that'll have people coming back and asking for more pretzels, bro.
Yo, the brew is motherfucking cold. Mo.
So yes, we're making Charlie and the Chocolate Factory Rescue.
Yes.
How many chocolate factories are there? Well, he gotta chase Charlie's one, then he gotta go save R. Kelly's chocolate factory.
Oh,
that's a whole nother episode.
That's a whole
What's going on? Why are there so many underage girls in this chocolate factory?
Okay.
It's not funny. That's the problematic life. It's not problematic if it's true. Yeah. Allegedly.
Alleged.
Mr. Malabrina, Mesmerino, Freshman, the Code to be an problematic bae. Listen.
Kyrie
just turn on your boiler without cleaning it. Yeah. What's the worst that can happen?
Who cares?
Okay.
Also, Kyrie Irving apologized for saying the Earth is flat.
You can't do that. You can't.
You can't just walk that back.
That's like me going for 4 years being like the Holocaust didn't happen, and one day be like, "Yo, my fault."
My fault.
Like, no. Once you put that energy out there, it's very toxic.
Like, come on, my nigga.
The Earth is flat. How you just one day wake up and the Earth is flat?
I was fucking with y'all. Like, I was just
throwing it out there.
I was trolling.
It was going on too long. It was going with it a little too long for it to be trolling. That's like me with the like secret family thing. At some point, you're like, damn, this kid really has a secret family. Okay. I mean, you know, why don't you mind your business if I do?
Exactly.
What business is it of yours if I take care of them sometimes?
Exactly.
Okay.
Like I said earlier, mind your fucking neck.
I see a little girl walking around Mississauga with mad Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon's bags.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Episode 129, we about this bitch. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Club, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. fucking skirt load to jump the curb. You don't keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. Call Peter, nigga. I don't care. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby. I fucking Ming, my nigga. No need to check the guest list. Don't even check that shit. My name is right on there, right next to Lil Pump. Yeah, right there. See? Right there. I'm his dad. Yes, I'm his father. All right, thanks. Where's Kochak? I got the burner on me. A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia, a.k.a. Get to the shmoney and the smoke. Your boy, Goldman Schmracked, a.k.a. got all my kids pumping and dumping Tesla stock because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Bitch Smack Me on boy, a.k.a. Diego Maradona, a.k.a. Dick in your baby Matumbo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Now, okay. That's it, motherfucker. A.k.a. new coach of the Knicks, David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Barlow Santana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Uber, even though I'm not even driving.
Cops like, I don't even, he was in the back seat.
How did he do that?
How are there 6 sets of fingerprints on the steering wheel?
How? A.k.a. the Dominican Dada Diamond Daddy, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it, you know what I'm saying? You're embarrassing us both right now, Yesenia. You know what I'm saying? You know who the fuck I am. I was the voice of Blue and Blues Clues.
Oh,
hello.
Shit. Oh, my God.
Hello.
Oh, my God. DK is George Lopez.
Remember? Boop, boop, boop. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me black out. Tu favorito, mami. Se me olvidó lo que pasó ayer. Yo, I'll drag up a BBW on stage. I don't care. I'll kiss your girl in the mouth, nigga. Fight me.
Wow.
I got Chelsea boots on.
You wildin'.
I don't care. I'll kick
It's
you.
the third time I had to fight you for kissing my girl.
I don't care. My boots are sharp.
How you kiss her 3 times in the same
I don't care.
concert?
I'm gonna kick your butt with these little boots.
Oh,
Stop it. I'm gonna tap dance all over you. I'm gonna dance bachata on your face. A.k.a. Light No Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? Cause I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got fire. So get the fuck up out of here, bro, because he's doing QPs and up. Because we got that Showtime money now. A.k.a. Tom Brady, you got my balls deflated. A.k.a. Field Ass Tyson. I'm gonna explore your cosmos, man, especially your Milky Way, if you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? That discharge. Nasty. A.k.a. Final Messi MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. Or I'm gonna have a panic attack on this jet ski. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Boston. With the precision of a Swiss wristwatch, my scalpel travel like a vortex from your spine to the top of your cerebral cortex. Candy, let's have raw sex. A.k.a. I'll be in fucking medicine cabinet. Hide your benzos, nigga. You know who it is. It's the Zen Man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso. A.k.a. Lucius Lioness, nigga. Man, come on, man. Of course I can pay for our dinner, baby. Come on, man. Looks like we about to run out this bitch, man. A.k.a. Baby Lupo 25 niggas got garbage down the way. A.k.a. Need your brush to cut it down. A.k.a. live from Martinez Cucci Frito on Jerome Avenue, getting shooed out by the employees. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and don't sick love. Find me a place to lean. You know what I'm saying?
Leave him alone.
No, I love you. Stevie, I love you.
Stevie, we love you.
We love you.
Stevie, come up here. My mother put some cans in the bag for you so you don't have to get your hands dirty.
We love you, Papi.
She made you a little plate or something.
Papi, she has a Betty Boop tattoo on her thigh that only you can see.
Super, why you always messing with him? He don't bother no one. It hurt my heart to see you do that.
He's doing his thing.
He's trying.
He's a legend.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Sorry,
you don't listen to KTU?
Sorry, Stevie. Sorry.
What's wrong with you? Oh my God.
Oh.
AKA, there's only 2 rock stars left in the world, man. They are the Bodega Boys, of which I am one, the Plantain Supernova. The Plantain Supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, using my jail wallet to fly with heroin. My friend says I'm never gonna fail, dog. You listen, man. Starting at forward, he's got a cup full of that oil, and he's paid plenty. He's sitting sideways. It's Barmelos Anthony for 3 pints.
Bang.
Bang. If you see me at Short Hills, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, Short Hills, fuck Short Hills, nigga. If you see me at Target smacked on my cranial, looking at the Starbucks menu like it's a quadratic equation, approach me like a fucking Ursine mammal, nigga, because I may react erratically.
I think that.
I don't know. What's a
he had
monkey?
he's a guy. He's
macchiato.
that guy. He had the show. I forgot. It was like it's him and the black guy, and they had the chair and they talk about it. What is it? I forgot.
Stop looking at me!
Oh shit!
Don't stare at me!
Oh shit! I can't believe Charlie Rose screamed at me.
I saw Fake Lead's your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of Mrs. Butterworth and Comet, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't care. Go mumble into a mic. A.K.A. Hasan, tenemos la pista. ¡Wey! Llegó el Tito FIFA, el Jordan del equipo. Ponte bleach, mamagüevo. Tú no tienes ni una, así que bájale 10. Maldita rana. Tú no estás sonando por ningún lado. Y la punta 40 te deja tirado. A ti no te han visto por ningún lado cantando. A ti nada más te ven guaramateando, mamagüevo. Llegó el rey de la chapa y coño, cambio y fuera, me quité. Ya, episode 129. We in Lost Beef every motherfucking Friday. I don't give a fuck who's there, nigga. If it's Hasan, if it's Dímelo, if it's whoever. Pull up, motherfucker. Uptown all day. I got it, grass so they low. What you need? You need a diet? What you need? 40?
It's 3 a.m. My baby's sleeping.
Oh, you know.
The AKAs have to.
No, okay, fine. We out of here.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Goodbye. What happened now?
Is this Joe? I'm your jukester, nigga. Give it up.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Episode 129. We out.